看得到机器。往南面翻一下，电脑移一下，哎，对 ，OK， 好了，我们开始了。喝水是吧？这个。我开始喽。你朝这边来一点，然后呢，你的人呢？你看，你这个方向就不对，你要看镜头，镜头在那儿，对不对？坐正，哎，对了。那我们就开始了啊。Wow, Robert, you see, there are the 4 visitors in our live stream. Hello, everybody. Let's say hello, morning or afternoon or evening. You know why I talk the morning, evening, or afternoon today?
Because every country time is different.
Yeah, different country with a different time, right? So this time maybe some countries still working, some countries still sleeping, right? So okay, let's try to find who is the first visitor. Let me try to give them the surprise. Okay. So Robert, do you know what about today's gift for the first visitor in our live stream? Your guess?
It's
What's kind of the gift in today's live stream?
maybe a small gift.
Small gift? No, this is a big surprise, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. How about you guess? You know?
iPhone.
iPhone. It's ready. So who is the first visitor come to our live stream? Let us try to show you the gift. This is from the surprise box, right?
Okay. I help the customer to pick the
gift, right?
Okay.
Correct. In fact, in our live stream, we have the 2 different. Oh, the first guy coming, you know, from Australia. Who's the name? Who's the name? Okay, Ray Hansen, right? Hello, Ray Hansen. Hello, Ray Hansen. You are from the Australia, right? We know in Australia it's the afternoon, right? Okay, Ray Hansen. I appreciate you come to my live streaming. You are the first visitor in our live stream. Welcome, send the message to us. Let's share with you the gift for you. Okay, this one how to use for. Right. Hello, Ray Hansen. Yes, I know you are in my live stream. Now we want to share out the gift to you. The first to follow us, you will get the first gift from Belinda. Here is the Belinda. The coupon. Send the message to us. You will get the gift from Robert. Right, Robert? Okay. Hansen, hello, Hansen. Yes, send the message to us here. Send the message to us. You will get the gift from Robert. Follow me. Get the coupon from here. You will get the gift from Belinda. Okay. Oh my God, who is sending message? Let me try to find. Fighty. How to spell this name? Anyway, let me try to share the first gift to Hansen, okay, from the Australia. Okay, Australia. Hansen, are you here? Hansen, Ray Hansen is small, but no problem. Let's try to give the gift, okay? Robert, now I want to shake it, okay? Because more shaking, the lucky will more coming more, okay? So this is the gift. You told me the gift including the iPhone, include the Apple Watch, right?
Yes.
So let me try to shake it. You will collect all energy, okay? Bring the lucky to them. Okay. You think it's okay? Okay. Welcome the Ray Hansen from the Australia. You're the first lucky guy in our live stream.
I open.
Yes, you're open. Why not open? Not open. Oh my God, this is the money, right? It's a big money, surprise. Ray Hansen, I'm calling Ray Hansen. Possible to call Ray Hansen? Yes? Call Ray Hansen coming to pick up the gift. Call?
Hansen, please pick up this gift. It's $10.
Yes, Ray Hansen. Yes, let me send my name card to you. Don't forget to pick up the coupon. You know the $10 is my 1 week's food.
Yeah.
Or how about the cost in the lunch for the lunch?
In our
Yes, today the
today,
lunch. How much you called today?
about five
RMB.
$5.
$5.
3 to 5.
Really?
Yeah.
You are so appreciated much.
3 to 5.
The what? 3 to 5?
3 to 5 to $3 to $5 1 ounce.
300, 205? You're crazy. $300, $250, $324.
3 to 5.
Oh, you talked $3 or $25. Okay, I agree with you. So you know the $10 that is your 3 pieces lunch.
Yeah.
3 pieces lunch. So Rain Hansen, don't ignore us. Yeah, this is the money for you. For in China, that is 3 times lunch cost, right? Okay. Today in our we were waiting somebody come to our live stream to share our gift to them. Okay, you can go to see our camera. Okay. So today our topic was 3. The first one we will try to showing how about the package trade. Okay. And second, we will showing the different package now in China.
Okay.
This is the second. And the third one, we will try to show our machinery running. Today, our machinery showing is for the package machine. I'm right?
Right.
Yes. Okay. Let me try to see which kind of the friends still in our live stream. Muhammad Said. Salam alaikum. Yeah, salam alaikum. Am I right? Said. Hello, Said. Are you in our live stream? If you are in our live stream, welcome to follow me. Get the coupon. Yeah, get the coupon. Send the message to us. You will get the gift for the robot. Hey. Yeah, and then Musa Abraham, and why you talk the Arabian language? Yeah, let me try to translate to what are you talked? What's the language? Shipping introduction. Okay, Robert, do you have some idea? Once Mr. Amin Musa bought our machine, how to arrange the shipping? Yeah, welcome the main. How to spell his name?
Maybe.
Do you know how to arrange the ship to the airline? Airline is Riyadh, right?
Maybe we need find some cheaper shipping.
Maybe you will find the cheaper.
Yeah.
Oh, my friend J.O. Yes, I can see your number. I don't know what you're talking. Let me try to find the translator for you. It's difficult for me, the Arabian language, because I just can be say salam alaikum. You find him. Sorry, no translator. Translator is me. But you can talk with me. You can talk with me by messenger. Yes, by messenger. You can follow me. Yeah, okay. Muhammad Said from the GO. Muhammad Said. Try to you follow. You guide them. Okay. I try to find him. Talk to him by translate. Okay. Guide them to follow you.
Okay. Hello, customers. Please press this yellow button to follow us, and you can get our first gift, the coupon press kit. And also, you can type some words in this, and you will get our catalog. Thank you.
If you send a message to us, you will get the gift from Robert. If you follow us, you will get the gift from Belinda. So, you like Belinda or you like Robert? Okay. Amin Mustafa. Amin. Okay. It's Whose ID use this live stream? This is yours ID?
Yeah.
Celine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is who
I
is?
think not, because when I see the
Yeah, I
message from
cannot
my account.
for your account, right?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, so I cannot find them.
maybe when Frida made the account, she didn't know that we use Celine's account, so she made mine.
Okay, so you translate from the customer, okay? Okay. So I mean now my colleague Zelina, the pretty girl, will give you the professional service and translate to you because I don't know the Arabian language. So thank you, Zelina. Okay, DK friend, Shad. Hello, Shad. Yes, do you know we're talking about in today's live stream? Appreciate you coming to our live stream. Today we were talking about regarding the packaging machine. Hello, Robert. So possible share with me which kind of the material for the packages in your surround you.
There are many kinds of material.
Many kind of the material.
For example,
Plastic. Okay, Robert share. Okay, any friend, if you can answer my question, welcome send a message to us. Yeah, you can try to get them. Okay, send a message to us. Once you send a message to us, you will get the surprise from Robert. Robert is correct. Is correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So you should be confident to say yes, of course, right? Okay. So anybody send a message to us, you will get the gift from the robot. Of course, if you follow me, become my fan, you will get the coupon from Belinda and also the special gift from Belinda. Okay, welcome to follow us and get the coupon from Belinda. Send a message to us, you will get the gift from Robert. If you like us, welcome to give more likes. Here, likes. Yeah, if you like Belinda, welcome to give more likes. 100 pieces like, okay? If you like Robert, give more likes more, okay? Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's try to again for the topic. Welcome my fan from the US. Hello, Michael Biani, you're from US, my fan. Yeah, because you're coming, so make us more confidence, right? Right, because you're coming, make us more. Are you happy?
Yes. More happy.
Yes, more coming, more happy. So especially my fan, right? Because today we are shooting for the packaging machine. Yeah, for more different type of the packaging, the sample in here, right? So okay, let's come back to the topic. Okay, so Robert, let's try to think about which kind of the material you make surround you. Yeah, surround you.
Plastic.
The first one is you think about is the plastic with the much the person that surround you, right? Okay, how about the others?
Wooden package.
Wooden package. Yeah, wooden package is always looks is more luxury, right? Luxury. Okay, wooden package. And have any others?
Glass.
Okay. Robert, I think your UI is possible to rise more. Okay, and you can try. Okay. Oh, in my memory, Robert told me he made 3 different package. The first one is plastic,
Yes.
right? And the second one is a wooden type. I want to ask one question. Wooden and the paper type is a 1 or 2? Oh, difference.
Two different.
These are 2 different.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 different.
So except the plastic, wooden glasses, anything else?
Anything can be some
Yeah, you can check.
like aluminum.
Aluminum, that is the metal type.
Metal type.
Do you find the aluminum? Have the steel type one? Steel.
Yes.
Steel, aluminum. That is belongs the metal. Okay. So maybe the different package with more, right? So let me try to calculate. For example, I took the 4 pieces. You guess which one is the biggest one. Okay. The first one is a plastic. Second one is the paper. And third one is for the metal. The first one is glasses. It's glasses. So you think plastic, paper, metal, glasses. Which one is the biggest the packaging material?
I guess the plastic is the biggest.
Oh, you guess it's the plastic. Okay, all friends in our live stream, do you agree the appointment from the robot? Plastic is the biggest packaging material in the world. Surround us. If you agree, welcome. Send a message. Yes, you will get the gift from robot. Yes, and data from the GE. Which country is from the GE? GE is which country?
It's Germany.
Germany? Oh my God! Germany now is in the early morning. It's really early morning.
Yeah.
Oh my God! So I always found anybody you come to us more earlier, the lucky is always for you, right? So all friends in our live stream will come send a message to us, yes, to communicate with us. Robot talked the plastic is the biggest packaging material in the world. Do you agree? If you agree, welcome send a message to us. You will get the gift from the robot. Yeah. If you like robot, welcome send a message to us. If you like me, Belinda, here is Belinda. If you like me, welcome to follow me. Hey, get the gift from Belinda. Okay, this is a coupon. The coupon minimum is 3 times lunch. Just one guy from which country? Australia, right? Ryan Hansen. He got one coupon, $10. The $10 in China for lunch, you can take the 3 times lunch.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the really. Okay, welcome the William. Yeah, Italy. Oh, Italian friend also wake up. Hello, William. Let's say hello morning to you. Yes, and the nice and beautiful day. And give your best wishes to you and your friend. Okay, welcome the easy friend Dalo Canto. Okay, let's try to talk. Nobody give us the answer. How to do? Maybe they don't know. It's a time we can open the answer. If we need to open the answer.
Oh, okay.
But I know this is the answer everybody know, because everybody will be check surround which kind of the material we more, right? In my life, I think, although I know the plastic is a no good material, right? No good. If there is a degradable type, it will be more better. If not a degradable type, we hope to use the 10 by 10 usage. Maybe plastic is made both better. The glass is easy broken, right? And the metal is so heavy.
Right.
And the paper type, we are easy to broke too once they are mixed some the water, right? Mix some the water. So let me try to show you some of the answer regarding the question. Okay, the paper package now is the biggest the percent for the packaging that goes 30%.
Paper is the biggest.
Yeah, paper is the biggest 30%. 30%. Oh, and you know, last year and this year, Europe, India, and China, they're always forbidden for the plastic. You know this policy? You know?
I know.
You know a little, right? Especially for the shopping bag. So no matter the Europe, USA, or in China, they always forbidden the plastic, especially for the cannot degradable type. They always push possible the recycled degradable type of the plastic. So plastic less and less. The biggest one is the paper package. Okay. And second one is the plastic. But I think in the future will be less and less. Do you agree? Yes. Okay. You agree. The third one is the metal type. It's a metal type. And do you know the metal type in China this year is very famous for one of the package for the tea. How to say? This is very small, very small, very small.
T bottle.
Yeah, tin.
T.
We call the small tea tin package. Yeah, just like this size inside it with some the more tickets, right? Every time one bottle, every time one bottle. So this is the mental time, and also motor possible to use again, reuse again. Do you agree?
Yes.
You agree? So finally, it's for the glasses. And do you agree? The glasses is also the glass is also the recyclable. It is possible to, for example, here one of the plastic. Once they are broken, right? How to do?
I think the glass is also recycled.
Yeah. Once they are broken, they're possible to melt them again. Melt and then to make the glass again. Am I right?
Right.
Yes, perfect. This is we talked the packaging, the material. Okay. This is we talked the package. All friend in my live stream, let me try to show you some the next topic. Okay. We just talked about the package. Package type, package trade. Okay, Robert, do you have any information to share some to our visitor? Yeah, today our topic is for the packaging machine, right? And everybody will found they have some the different packaging in our table, right? In our table. So, welcome my friend from the sea and Nadia. Hello, Nadia. Yeah, our friend Nadia. Hey, this is one of the friend name is First Man. First Man. Are you the first man? Yes, I like you. I like you, First Man from the SA. SA is Saudi Arabia, right? First Man, are you from the Saudi Arabia? Yes. If you're from the Saudi Arabia, yes. Welcome. Send a message to us, to me. Yes. Okay. So, all friends in our live stream, send a message to us. You will get the gift from the robot. Follow me. Yes, you will get the gift from the Belinda. Here is a coupon. The coupon. Yes. All friend. If you like me, welcome. Give me the more likes. 100 is enough. I'm right. Italian friend robot. Yeah. Okay. Now let me try to talk about the others. Robot, I want to talk with you. Once in the last 3 years, China made the COVID time. Right.
Yes.
I think that is the most serious policy in the world.
Yes.
You can possible describe the life during the COVID time. Yeah, can you describe it?
It's not very convenient to.
It's not convenient. How to not convenient? You can describe more. Let's share our friends. Yeah.
In the COVID-19 time, we can not go out to buy some.
You cannot go out home. Go out the house, right?
Right.
Oh, during the COVID time, you cannot go out the house, right? And how to get the food? How to do everything?
Maybe in 1 week we spend 1 day to buy a lot of food.
1 week go to outside by one time.
Yeah.
So every day you can enough for food.
Yes.
So
we buy lots of food to spend.
So every day you have the enough food.
Yeah.
Okay. So except take the food at home, anything others you will do?
In the serious time we can do.
You do nothing. You do nothing. Nothing to do, right? So you how to do? Sleep and take the phone.
Just survey on the internet.
Oh, you just do some service in the internet. So I think you have the very lucky because every day you have enough food.
Yes.
So for the enough food, you will take more rice, noodle, or take some the snack.
Yes.
Huh?
You can get this food.
You can take the more the food, right?
Yes.
You can take the more the food. So that is to say, in the COVID time, right? In the COVID time, we no need to drive the famous car, right? You cannot out of the house,
Yes.
so you cannot drive the car, right? So you cannot, you don't need to take some of the famous garment, right? Maybe you just close some the living room, the garment is okay, right? So you don't need to drive the famous car. You don't need to take some of the famous garment, right? But one thing you must to do. One thing you must to do every day. Which one?
One thing you must do is
Yes. In the COVID time.
sleep is.
Of course, sleep. How many years? How many months you?
Just your commitment.
So you can sleep all the time.
Yeah.
No need of food. No need of water. You every day sleep. No need of phone. Okay, welcome my friend Easy. Hello Easy. Hello Easy. Hello Easy. Easy. Are you in our live stream? Yes. Welcome quickly to follow us. Get the gift from Berlin. It's the coupon. Okay, get the coupon and send a message to us. Get the gift from the robot. Here is a robot. Yeah, robot will bring the lucky to you. You will find he's a lucky guy. He's a lucky boy, right? He always bring the lucky to every boy. Okay. Who is a friend? Easy. Hello, Easy. Hello, Easy. Yeah. Oh, Easy, Ali. Thank you. Easy. Hello, Easy. Yes. Now you send the message to us. So let's my college robot bring the lucky to you. The lucky gift including the iPhone, including the Apple Watch, and including the others. Okay, robot. I think you should stand up to collect your energy to give the best of the gift to Easy Ali. Okay?
Okay.
Ali, pay attention. Hey, Ali, your eyes come here. Yes, follow my hand. Follow my hand. Lucky coming to hand. $10.
It's also
Why is always $10? What's the problem? Okay. Easy Ali, this guy give you the 3 times lunch once you come to China. Can we invite you for the lunch?
Yes.
Okay, so Easy Ali, congratulations. You got lucky from robot. You start 10 coupon.
When the customer can use the coupon?
Or anytime.
Anytime.
Anytime. Yes. So Ali, you want to use the coupon now? Now if you like our machine, packaging machine, now you can use it. I see Ali. I saw you are in our live stream. Yeah. Here is the machine. The machine. We hope we have the chance to show you. So possible now our machinery packaging for what's the material in this tank to check.
The material is about
Rice inside is the rice, right?
yes, rice.
Okay, so Ali, I see Ali. Yes, now for our machine in the tank, they have some of the rice. If you want to see this the machine how to running, we can run the machine to you. And also this is for 3 side or side ceiling. For the ceiling, for the package.
3 side.
3 sided, right? Okay. So Ali, yes, let me try to show you about our packaging machine. Yeah, our package. Ali, Easy Ali. Yes, if you are in our live stream today, the machinery beside us, we will show you. That is belongs the 3 sided ceiling. 3 sided ceiling for the dry material package, right? Hello, Robert. Try to shoot into Ali. Try to shoot Ali. This is you talk to him. This is a three-sided ceiling. Three-sided ceiling. Okay, close. More close. Okay.
Hello, Ali. This is a three-side ceiling package. It's made of plastic, and the inside is rice. You can see the three-side ceiling package is also look beautiful. Do you think so?
So Ali, which kind of the material?
Ali, which kind of material do you need? You can tell us. Thank you.
Ali, are you in our live stream? Can see, can find? Hello, Ali. Yes, Ali. I see. Yes. Now my colleague, a robot, just show you the three-side ceiling machine. Now our material is for the rice. Yeah. Do you want to see the machinery run? Ali, easy. I know you are in my side. And just you have some question ask. How about the sample service? Yeah. Ali, if you are the sales agent, yes, in your country, we are like to give you some the free sample, and always we give you some the new type of material. And now, Ali, I hope you send more the message to us to communicate more. How communicate? Ali from the NO. This is the NO is which country? Robot?
No.
Yes, NO.
South Africa.
No, okay. Ali, I know you can send the message to us. Now we can show you the machine running. Is okay for you? Show the machine. Okay, Robert. Ali is always in our live stream. The first you can try to open this power. Link to the power. We were ready for some the job to show them.
Run it.
Yes, running it. First to run motor. Okay, now robot we are doing some the job, prepare the job for running the machine. And now let me try to introduce our factory. Okay. First, our factory was founded in 1952. That was in our grandfather. From our grandfather. During that time, we are always doing a different package, including some of the pouch type, including some of the border type, the filling packaging machine. Our factory already verified ISO 9001 certificate. At the same time, we always verified by SGS. Hello, Robert. Let's try to show East Ali regarding our SGS certificate to him in the camera. Okay.
Hello, Ali. This is our SGS certificate. You can see SGS. BRENU. This is our company's name.
Yes, you can use your finger to see. Here is the SGS. This is for the brand.
Here is SGS. This is our company's name, BRENU. It's verified.
This is verified by the SGS.
It's verified by SGS.
Yeah, this is verified by SGS. Okay, here it's for our this one. At the same time, our factory during the this year, our market included all over the world. So our machinery always with a CE certificate. Hello, Robert, show the Ali and our friend regarding our CE certificates. Okay. Welcome the Turkey friend Niyazi Zengno.
Hello, Ali. Here is our CE certificate.
This way. Yeah, okay, now it's good.
Here is our CE certificate. You can see BRENU here and verified CE.
Here is a CE certificate from our factory, right? So our machinery, no matter exported to the Europe or no matter exported to USA, we always pass control our quality all the time. The quality is the first and most important from us. Okay, thank you, Robert. Except we are always welcome the SG friend. First letter is a K, last letter is I. Okay. Robert, try to show them to follow us or send a message to us.
Hello, customers. You can press this yellow button to follow us, and you will get our first gift. It's a coupon, and you can also type some words in this blank. You can get our catalog to see how what do you need.
Welcome, SG friend, Singapore friend. Welcome to send a message to us. Yeah, communicate with us more. Okay, thank you, Robert. Yeah. Every year we always try to upgrade our quality. Every year we always try to export the more sets, more machine to the different country. And every year we hope we can learn more from the different country regarding the new technology. I'm right, Robert? Right. Okay. So every year for us, we will create more the patent to for our machinery. So Robert, possible show them regarding of the patent. This is the one of the patent. We also have the different patent in our factory. Every year we have the 3 different kinds of the patent.
Hello, audience. Here's our patent. You can see it's for our small packing machine. It's verified for the national patent company.
Yeah, every year we have the more than the 3 different types of patents that come out in our from our production. So this is the first one we show you. This is a real one. So cooperate with us, you will feel every year the technology will rise. Okay, thank you, Robert. Thank you. Welcome to Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan, Abeka, Polywater to Kabe. Polywater. Hello, Polywater. Yes, Polywater. And we know the one of the most important meeting in Xi'an will be open in the May the 18th to the 19th. Do you know?
So important meeting.
Important meeting will be open in Xi'an. Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, yeah, you really know good. You don't pay attention to the international. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So Polywater, Kazakhstan friend, Albeka. If you have the chance, come to Xi'an in the May 18 to the 19, to the 18 to the 19. So welcome the mentioned team. I will bring our factory, go to there also. Maybe we can meet you. Yeah, maybe we can meet you. Okay, now we're just showing our patent CC certificate. Ali, I trust you still in our live stream. Yes. Okay. Now we will try to show you how the buyer pass the buyer list from our factory. Okay. Our first buyer in this year, Robert, do you know which kind of the buyer in this year will more? You guess. It's a factory or for the industry or for the cosmetic or for the food or for which kind of the industry will be more?
I think every kind of customer will be.
Every kind of customer, every kind of industry, right? Every industry and more industry possibly rise, right? Now you forget the question I communicated with you during the COVID time. Which things you must do every day? Yes. Which kind of the things you must do every day? I think Ali, yes. I think Ali, 哪一种事情你每天是必须要做的？在疫情的时间， Hi Sally, do you know during the COVID time which one you must do every day? Yes, if you cannot out the house, if you cannot drive the car, if you cannot take the take some the go to the work, food, take the food, right? Eating. You cannot eating. You cannot eating.
Many things I must do.
Oh, many things. Oh, the only most one important one.
Ultimately,
Yeah. Yeah. So you talked to me sleep.
It's also
I think every day you should sleep. But if no food, possible sleep where? Possible. If no food, you sleep well or not?
not.
Not. But if you take the food, you possible sleep good? Yes. So I think everybody should be pay attention. The food is the most important, right? Most important compared with the others. Car, garment, the medicine, sport, or everything. Right? I'm right, Robert. Okay, I thought this right. Okay. Is Ali, is Ali, what are you looking for? Is Ali, let me try to show you our buyer. The first one, maybe most of it from the restaurant or food one. The first one is the making the first time. Hello, Robert. Do you know making restaurant how many different grade? Yeah, making restaurant which kind of different grade? 1 star, 2 star, or 3 star?
3 star.
Maximum is 3 star. Right, but in my mind, the making 1 star is also stronger, right? Yes. Okay, please try to show the buyer regarding of the part the buyer. Okay.
Hello, yes, you can see many bars on this picture.
You can raise more your voice, okay? And you can read the name of brand.
You can see many
Not
bars.
say many one by one to show them.
It's like Michelin star and PAKE KERO. And this is Hershey, and this is Nestle coffee, and this is Hunter. Like it's a group. This is a golden fish oil. This is GP King. This is Sababa, maybe a food brand. This is HNSC. This is Coca-Cola. This is a milk brand from China. This is my Milk MC. This is Honor.
Okay, Robert, how many brand do you know?
Hundreds.
You can count. How many brand do you know?
1, 2, 3.
You count.
I know Michelin star and this good fish and Coca-Cola. I know. You did never is
So how many pieces of brand do you know?
how many pieces?
The brand do you know? 有哪几个品牌你是认识的？
I know 5 to 6.
5 to 6. So during the 5 to 6 brand, how many pieces are for food?
3 to 4.
3 to 4, right? So that is to say 80% is for the food, right?
Yes.
So okay, 80% for the food. And how about the others?
Others maybe the daily life you can use the like toilet or
Toilet?
something like
Toilet?
you want to wash your teeth.
Oh,
You can use your neighbor's teeth brush.
teeth brush. Okay, so most of that is relative regarding the food of the human, right? The body. Okay, thank you, Robert. Hello, our friend, India friend, Sashanta Banerjee. Do you know? Once I first time to visit India, yeah, that is give me the surprise. and let me try to show one story to you, okay? India friend. Susanta, are you here? If you're here, you will come send a message to me. I want to share the story to you, okay? Send a message to me, yeah? Susanta Baniji, Susanna Baniji, yes. If you're in my live stream, here is the Belina. Yeah, here is the Belina. If you're in our live stream, we'll come send a message to you. Let me talk about the story for you, okay, regarding the India. Oh, you don't know. If you know, I will just share with you a story. Okay, in here. Once I transferred from the Chennai to the Kanpur, Chennai Kanpur. So Susanna, which province you are from? Let me guess. You are from the north, right? Kolkata, or the New Delhi? Yeah. Susanna. Hello, Susanna. Yeah. Hello, Susanna. Which province are you in? Yes. Oh, let me share the story to you. Oh, Robert, do you know what Robert, are you okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So you can pay attention if the machine is running the situation or not. Yeah. So once I translated from the Chennai to the Kanpur, you know, there is a smaller airplane, but this was in the 10 years ago, maybe.
The temperature is 120 K.
So it's okay? It's okay or not? It's okay or not?
Oh, okay.
If the
I
time
think it's okay.
you think it's okay. Okay, let me finish the story, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I found this is a small plane from the Chennai to the Kanpur. This is small plane that is one side is on the 10%, another side is 10%. It's a tow line. So once we finish the job, finish the job, and this the V will run. So suddenly, we don't move. So suddenly there's the heavy rain coming. But this India is with smoke. It's so crazy. So Susanna. Oh, you can stop. I'm talking about the story, okay? Please stop, okay? You want to test the machine, right? Okay. Wait a moment. So I want to waiting. My story is not finished, you know. So that is the most of the surprise time. My friend told me, no problem. Once we are on the way, the plane possible to down also because they have the wind. So I see this. Okay, no problem. I'm okay. But once we change it to the big plan, to the camper, my friend told me that is so dangerous for us. Maybe we never come back to China. So Susanna, you know. So I never forgot to the experience once I stayed in India. Okay, thank you. Okay, welcome my friend from the KW, Abdullah. Hello, Abdullah. Are you looking for the rice vacuum packaging machine? Now I want to show you the rice packaging machine. Okay, inside me, the rice is very simple. So Abdullah, let me first to share with you the gift. Okay. Robert, do you want to share some of the gift to my friend from the KW, okay? And then we can run the machine, okay? Okay. Let me try to come out. You possible to choose. You possible to choose the bigger, big lucky, big surprise, okay? Maybe to choose one iPhone and choose one Apple Watch, okay? Okay.
It's only $5.
Not talk the only. This is the big money, $5, okay? So anybody can give me the $5, I will happy to die. You know. Nobody give me the $5 to die. $5. Right? So my friend, this is for which friend? This is for Abdullah. Hello Abdullah. Let me send you. Oh, Abdullah, so hello Abdullah. Congratulations. You got US dollar 5 coupon. Yeah, this is $5. You know, in China for the lunch need the $3. So $5 is for the 2 times lunch. Okay, thank you, Abdullah. Send the message to us. Okay, Abdullah. Now I want to show you the rice machine for the package. Hello, Robert. Is it possible to introduce regarding this machine, the function, the simple to introduce? Simple to introduce regarding this package machine.
This machine has two parts. One of this machine is the weighing machine, and the bottom is the sealing machine. You can see this machine can see sealing and packing the package you want. And it also has two switches. You can operate on it. On this part, you can see the film on the top of the machine, and you can customize the picture and the color, anything you want.
So you talked this is have the two parts, right? One part is for weight, right? And another part is for what?
Another part is for sealing, cutting, heating.
For sealing. And then,
The picture
oh yes, you can detail more the part for filling. Filling is the first part or next?
filling maybe is the middle.
Maybe,
middle part.
not maybe. This is serious technology, okay? Filling is the up part or the down part.
Middle.
Middle? Where is the middle?
Filling the rice.
Yeah? Filling is in the first part or second part?
Second part.
Are you sure?
I see the rice in the second part. Filling the plastic.
Okay, move on. Now this machine have the first part and second part. The first part, their foundation is for the weighing, right? And the second part is for filling, sealing, cut. Right. Okay. Go on.
Sorry to disturb, but ever this customer they are looking for coffee stick machine. I think that is coffee stick shape machine.
Coffee stick share machine.
Stick machine.
Which kind of stick machine?
I think that is maybe the coffee bag.
Okay.
Yes.
You talked this one, the longer one, right? The longer one.
Yes.
The longer
yes.
one. Okay, no problem. We will show you. This is the longer one. It also belongs the back sealing machine. The back sealing machine. Abdullah, welcome to show the size. And my colleague Zelina, you possibly send them the video.
Yeah.
Send them the video, and also we can supply some of the free design for the package. Yes. Okay. Now let me try to show you the rice package. Oh, you finished the introduction? Only the.
I finished.
You finished? Only have the two parts. The first part and second part finished. I think it's not. You think about anything others can share with our buyer regarding this machine?
I also introduced this part. They can print or customize some images on this. You can self-use or you can use the machine in the park or some supermarket. You can also use this machine for your pet and all your friends. Your friends could also like this machine to make some beautiful pictures.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's try to first run, and then I will get you introduce this machine. Okay. Okay. Now this the machine. How about to the set? How about to the run? It's easy to open.
Last time I don't run it. Selena operates on it.
Don't talk this. Now you are the owner. Okay. So first try to link to the power. Okay. Robert, do you know this path to control? Which kind of control? This path.
This part
Which kind of the speed?
is sealing speed.
Sealing speed. Really? Means they're possible to lower speed, they're possible to middle speed, they're possible to high speed, right?
Yes.
So possible to choose any button. For example, here in this control box, they have some fast, middle, and slow speed. You can choose, right? You can choose. Okay. Anything else? You took the first part to control the weight, right? So possible to set 5 grams or 6 grams or 17 grams. Possible to change? Possible to change? Possible to change?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how about the weight now? How about the weight now?
It's 0.
It's 0?
I see 0.
Where is the 0? The weight showing the 0? The here
The
showing
first
the,
line is 10.
the 10 grams. Oh my God.
I see
Okay, you
0.
can try to run them. How to run it?
Just press the
You
start
press.
button.
Please press. Okay, it's very simple, right? Okay. How to stop them?
Press the red button.
Okay, so later in our demonstration, you will find to start with the machine and always the machine. Oh, this is the 10 gram. The bag is too longer. It's too longer, right?
You can
Possible
control the
to
lens.
short.
Control the lens, yes.
Yes, the less possible to adjust, right? We can possible to short them to longer them, right? Okay, now can we do one test? To adjust this back size from the second pass, I think it's right. You possible to short this length.
Yes.
Possible short this length to how much? To around the 8 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay, you can try. Try to adjust this package the bag to the 8 centimeter. Now, our friend, my colleague robot, is showing you this is a small machine, but with the big power to adjust. Yeah, to adjust this the back size.
It's
Okay, you can try to test it. It's very easy to showing this the machine the size. Oh, really? You possible to compare these two bags? Here, the before we use this size, right? This is how many the centimeter? 12 centimeter, maybe.
50.
15 centimeter. Okay, after we talked to short this the back size, right? It will be short. So it's so amazing, right? It's very simple, right? It's simple. Okay, robot try to shoot in the camera, right? This is your adjust by you. Maybe this is a robot first time adjust the machine.
Hello, customers. You can see 2 different kinds of different size package, all made by this machine. You can control and adjust the length, any length you need. You can based on the weight you need, and then you pick the length you need.
So any line, any size for the length possible and adjustable, right? So robot, do you know which kind of the maximum the length possible to adjust? Maximum the size? Maximum. Yes, maximum the size, maximum the length.
20 or 30.
Really? 20 or 30? Are you sure?
I'm not sure.
Oh my God. I think it's not possible. Yes. This is You're joking.
So machine can determine the length, the max length.
So how much is the max length? How much the max length for this machine for the bag? Centimeter means centimeter like this size. Centimeter like 20 meter like this size. The machine can do this 20 meter size. Are you sure? Okay. Let me tell you. This machine, the maximum length is 16 centimeter. I'm right. 16, 16 centimeter. Okay. How about the width? The width is possible to change?
5 to 10.
5 to 10. I ask the width possible to change. Flexible change. Easy or not? It's not easy because this width is a fix. This width is a fix. this width is fixed, so it's not easy to change. Okay, let's close this machine. Okay, thank you everybody in our live stream. Yeah, once you are in, welcome to John Bagado. Yeah, welcome the follow us. You will get the gift from the Belina. Yeah, from the Belina. Welcome. Send a message to us. You will get the gift again from the robot. Okay, thank you. And now let me try to introduce regarding this machine. Hello, robot. Do you know what's the name for this machine?
The name of this machine is sealing packing machine.
No. You talked this function, right? This machine is called multi-function packaging machine. Multi-function. Do you know the multi-function means they have the more function, right? Okay, now let me try to do the summary regarding this machine, okay? So you talk the function. The first function is for what? The first function means this is one can run it separately, can run separately. For example, you can run it only for the waiting, right? Only for the waiting. And the second function, you no need the when you can fill in, sealing, and cut them. I'm right. Okay, so this is the first function. This is second function, and the third function means you can do the job together, right? Weighing, filling, sealing, cutting together, right? Right. Okay, this is the third function. And robot, do you pay attention? This is what's this?
Hopper.
This is the hopper, right? This is the hopper. They're possible to hope some different material, right? Oh, okay. So have you some feel some once you package some powder? This powder sometimes they're easy move, sometimes they're not easy move. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You find right. You can try to come here. I cannot see you. Okay. So once you find some powder not easy to move, how to do?
Use other hopper.
Use other hopper. Use a shaking. Use the shaking. Yeah. You know, if this powder not easy to move, we can use some the shaking, right? So. For our machinery, also very simple, but they have the more multi-function. This from the shaping. Okay, robot, do you know which kind of the material we use this packaging machine? Which kind of the material we are using in this machine?
We can use material, plastic.
This is the machine. We use the plastic material. We use the stainless steel. You know, because we once we design this machine, we always to design and service for package the food. Welcome the U.S. friend Xiang Sheng Huang. I think you're Chinese, right, my friend Huang, Mr. Huang. 黄先生, we can talk with you by Chinese language, right? I'm talking about the packaging machine. Okay, the material we always design for the food. So our material use a food grade material. You know, the stainless steel with the different grade. You know, so you guess once we package it for the food, we use which grade?
Is stainless steel, stainless 304.
304 for the grade. Okay, welcome SF friend Sayed Taki. This is stainless steel and food grade one. Right? So for the grade one, you are easy to clear, right? Very easy to clear and easy to move and something. Okay, this is what we talk about the material. Okay. So, robot, do you find some of the food package, the service should be showing some of the experience date or produce the date?
Yes.
So you guess our machinery possible do or not?
I think the machine can do the print.
can do this printing, right? You think, not you think, you must know, because this unit is staying here. Why not confident more? My guess.
Maybe I need
Maybe.
to raise my voice.
You did really the more voice. Your voice wants some problem, or you want to take some water?
Okay.
Okay, let's talk about the function for the date series printer and the showing printer and the showing for the date series the date and the series of the printer. Yeah, this is for this function. This is for the series, for the function. Okay, and everybody will know this is one of the machine. So robot except this machine with the stainless steel material, with a shaking unit for not mold the powder, and also for the data printer. For example, if we print if we package it by some the printed design package, right? So they must have some the scissor color scissor. So could you find the color scissor in our this machine? The color scissor.
Color. Is this the color?
Here is the color scissor. Here is the color scissor. Once the packaging material with some different design, how to ensure this the package? How to ensure this package is in the middle, is in the correct location? In the correct location. So color scissor will be most important. You will see color scissor will check this color. Will check this color. Will check this color. Okay, this is we call the color scissor. Call the color scissor. Okay, this is our function. This is number. How many the number? The number what? Number 9, number 5 or number 6? I talked. You forgot.
Yes.
You forgot. You count. Okay, you can do the summary. You can do some of the summary. How many the function I talked? Tell me the number. Okay. And the next. And now you're doing this job. Okay. Okay, now let me continue. So for this machinery, we accept to talk to the others, we still have some function. For example, you will find this packet weight is 10 gram, or maybe you will try to set the 20 grams or 30 grams. This machine possible, easy to design, right?
Right.
Okay, welcome the India friend Bharat. Hello, Bharat. Bharat, appreciate come to my live stream. IQ friend Ala Mahala. Ala Mahala, welcome to send a message to us. Get the gift from the robot. Get the gift from the robot. Yeah. And if you like me, welcome to follow me. Get the coupon from Belina. Of course, if you like Belina, welcome. Give me more likes. Okay. And we talked for the weight is possible to set flexible, right? So how about the back length possible to change, right? Okay, so number what? Number 7 or number 8? So you tell me, okay?
7. Great.
Oh my God. Okay, welcome the RO friend erasing. Okay, now we talk the function again. This is the machine possible to set this length flexible, possible to set this weight flexible, possible to set this weight flexible. Okay, welcome my friend Mohammed Big. Hello Mohammed, yes, appreciate come to my live stream. Because you're coming, we are more confident, yes. Because you're coming, we are more lucky. So appreciate you come to our live stream. Okay, this is we talked. Size, length, and the weight easy to set, and also you will find this is sitting wheel. We are easy to change. Everybody can see. It's possible to show this mouse to the camera. From this camera, my colleague robot, we are showing this sitting wheel with a saw type. Welcome Muhammad. Yeah, hello Muhammad. I'm showing our machinery function. Now this ceiling part, seeing the mouse is the saw type. Of course, for example, this one is for the flat one. This is the two different one. This is the two different. Yeah, this is the floor. Shoot the mouse. Yeah, shoot the mouse. Yeah, shoot the mouse. This is two different. So we can change this city way. We can change this city way. City way. Muhammad Bega. Muhammad Bega. Yeah. If you have the material for package, welcome send the message to me. Muhammad Bega. Yeah, welcome send a message to me. Yeah, welcome send a message to me. You will get the gift from the robot. Okay, this is we talked the foundation. Robot, you guess, I possible to remove this machine? It's heavy or not? I'm a small lady. Uh-huh.
In the bottom of this machine,
I'm a small lady.
you can.
You can, right? You try, okay? It's easy or not? Okay, you don't help me. I want to check on possible easy for
Has wheels.
Oh yes. It's very easy, very simple. That's because they have some of the wheel inside, right? Okay. This is we talked the foundation. We have some the wheel for this machine. I'm right. Welcome the FR friend. Yeah, FR friend. Okay, thank you. Yeah. And now let me try to talk about you regarding the others. This is for the foundation. Robot, I talked. You possible do some summary. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. One by one to copy. I talked. Okay. Okay, please. Okay, now it's okay. Fine.
Hello, customers. This is a multi-function packaging machines. It have a lot of functions. Let me introduce them to you. You can see this part. It's a winning part. You can put something into it, so you can pack your products. In the second part, you can see the sealing part. It can heating and cutting and sealing the package you need. In this part, you can also print your experience date and produce data on the package. And extension part is also suitable, like the color sealer. We can use many colors to picking our products. And this part is, you can see, is a field. We can put our logo or brand on this. Any color is supported. This machine is also easy to move. In the bottom of this machine, it has wheels, so even a child can move this machine quickly. It's also easy to operate. It has two panels on the machine, this part and this part. It has only 1, 2, 3 buttons. It's easy to operate. On this panel, you can control the speed of the sealing. Also, you can adjust the length otherwise. Different kinds of machine have different max length. You just need to tell us what you need. Every part can be customized, and you can also buy from us for one small part. Yeah.
You're finished?
Mostly.
Mostly means still have some should be talked, right? Okay, go on.
A machine needs a battery. Different country have different electricity, right? Right. Finished.
Finished. Okay, now let me try to talk. In this machine, still have one of the big function, the most important function we didn't show you. Yes, so Robert also didn't pay attention. That is belongs to the patent. What's the patent? That means, for example, we meet the more friends. They are trying to create the new business. They are trying to become the winner in 2023. So they choose some the package and for the machinery. Once they are trying to package this design, the packaging material, they will find this should have some the MOQ, and if they try to print them, they will need much more the cost, including the printer cylinder, the MOQ, that's the huge. So for our side, for think about for the buyer requested, we are doing this patent. Means you can buy the transparent material. Robert possible shoe, which is a transparent material package.
Transparent.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So once you hook in service with some small design. For example, maybe you just want to print one logo inside. You can try to use our patent. Add one the inkjet printer. One color printer on this paper on this plastic surface. So this way, you can use the smaller quantity the plastic package. You can print some the plastic small quantity plastic package. Yeah, for this is our the patent also. That means you buy the transparent package material and service try to print some logo, one color logo or one color name or one color the others to show you. You understand? Okay, you try to describe to the buyer which kind of the patent from our factory.
Like it's
A simple package from just we made it. If customers buy our machine, you can print one color, two color, or logo on it. Similarly, is also can support what you need. You can use aluminum package or plastic package. We can also print something you want on it. Like it's rice on the package, you can create your own it, like the express date, produce date, or your logo. One color, two color is supported. Uh, you can also choose the seating way, like three-side seating. What I show you is the package is three-side. And if you want to make a more beautiful package, four-side could be also okay. Mm,
You're finished, right?
finished.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Robert, to show you this our patent. Okay. So, Robert, do you know which country our machinery exported to? Which country? Our machinery exported how many countries?
Our machine exports to many countries over the world.
Yeah. Do you hope to know? Do you hope to know how about the feedback from our buyer?
Many customers have a good feedback on our partners.
Okay, you possible to showing our buyer feedback. Okay.
Hello customers, you can see the feedback on our Alibaba website. Like the first comments, the customer said the seller delivers fast, the service is perfect, the machine is running perfect, it's recommended to buy. And the second line you can see that the weight is worth it. It also customized the film. That's why I say the film is also customer side. Perfect. And I will buy another machine soon. Like the third line is word perfect. You can see this picture. It's our partners and the customers checking dialogue or image. You can see the Korean customers when he gets the machine. It is good with him. He give us thank you and we are pleasure with making business with him. On this picture, we can see the customer showed us some photos and he make he use the machine to making some like oil or tea bag on his place. It's also a good feedback from our real customers. This picture shows also the checking picture. The customer said he is happy to down it. The machine works very well. Follow our engineer's instructions. So the mission, he said, "Oh, thank you to our team." You can see this 5-star comment. The customer said, "Thanks for seeing our patients and I hope she provide a very good service. The machine is very easy to use. It comes with the technology is very good. I could build many slides before, and finally I chose this company. My choice is right. Early to buy, early to benefit." So this customer's comment is very good. This second line, customer said, "Excellent and very fast supplier, very helpful. This agent is seen, 100% recommended." It also shows us our shipment is very fast and good. And you can see this picture. It's also the customer's feedback, like fast, perfect, and easy to use. He said, although the price is not the lowest, and the quality is reasonable, easy to use, very confident, effective. Quality determines this price. Is 65. I want to say quality determines the price. Yeah, right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Robert. They show our customer the feedback, right? Okay, now we were showing our factory, we are showing our feedback from our buyer. We are showing our machinery running, and we also showing regarding the machinery run. Okay, now let me try to introduce the different package for something. Yes, okay. Robert, do you like some of the snack?
Yes, maybe some chips and
Chips?
milk,
Chips, milk,
coffee.
and tea, right? Okay, now let me try to show you regarding on the package, different package, okay? Oh, you know, in China, the bigger the population, so you guess.
Big population.
The big population, the snack, right? The snack with a big population. So for this, let me try to show you some snack the package to the all the friends, okay? The first we will try to show you. We will try to show you regarding some this. What's this? This is for the tea or for some tea, okay? Hi, Robert. Do you like what's this kind of the tea?
It's a tea bag.
Yes, of course. This is the tea bag. So, do you know which kind of the material? This is filter paper.
Filter paper.
Yes, filter paper. And this is for three-sided sealing or back sealing,
Three-sided.
three-sided sealing, and with the tag, right?
Yes.
Possible to show some of the friend. If your country the famous for the tea or famous for the coffee, especially for example from the Nepal, from the India, from the Sri Lanka, right? They're always famous the tea. So maybe you can do this business. You will be to be the winner in 2023. Yeah, maybe you will to be the winner. Yes, expand your pocket. Yeah, possible try to show.
Hello, customers. You can see this is a tea bag from China. You can see it has a one tag on the bottle, and in the bottom it has a three sealing bag packing. And this side is maybe our tea, and the packaging material is filter paper. It's common in our country. And maybe you can use our machine to make a this tea bag like this. Tea is popular in many countries. If you want to make this small thing, you can send us in price for our machine. Thank you.
Okay, this kind of tea with a tag. And recently, you know, welcome my friend from the India come to us, and we talk about the Indian tea is always famous. Do you agree, Robert?
Yes.
Yes. Have you taken some the India famous tea? Which kind of the name?
It is red tea from India.
Oh, the black tea.
Black tea.
Yeah, once I am staying in India, we always it's a famous take some the tea with the milk. With the milk, you can see this camera. Yeah. They talk the Assam milk tea.
Yes.
Yeah, Assam milk tea is very famous. I'm right my India friend. Assam. They have some the tea, have some the milk. But you should first have this type of tea, this type of the package. Yeah, this kind of the package. So for this way, maybe my friend, you're in the India. Except the tea, the India the agriculture is always the famous. It's always famous. And as I know, the India is also famous for the snack. They can do the continuous the package, continuous production. So this is the first type of the tea. And the second for the tea, we think they have some in China with a big the population. Now they are most popular with the new type the packaging. So Robert, do you know which kind? What's the name of this one? This is the package.
Pyramid package.
Pyramid package, right? Okay, pyramid package. Okay, so do you know why some of the buyer will change this package to the pyramid package? What's the difference? You guess.
So pyramid is more beautiful, I think.
Beautiful? That's really the beautiful. I like also. So from this foundation, do you think how many fish to touch this water like this package?
Two sides.
Two sides,
Yeah.
two fish touch this water, right? So how about this one?
Three sides.
Three side or four side?
Four sides.
Four side. So two side compare with a four side, right? To touch with the water. In 1 minute, which kind of the tea more delicious?
Four
For us.
sides. Yeah.
That is the most important reason, right? So if you hope your tea enough enough delicious during the summertime, you should be use the new type of package, right? So possible to show the customers.
You can see the newest and beautiful package. It's a pyramid seal. It has four sides. If you put it on the water, you can drink the more beautiful drink. Right.
you will showing them this is the different tea, the package compared with the traditional one.
We can make a compare from we can see the difference from these two sealing ways. It is three-side sealing, but it has only two sides carrying the water. If we use the pyramid packing, we have four sides to meet the enough water, so we can have the more delicious drink. But this is also okay if you only use it in tea bag. You can see this pyramid inside it have dried fruit or ice sugar. Right. Different kinds of packages meet a different needs. You can make your choice. Think.
Okay, and everybody found everybody find the new package always with a new the foundation, right? New foundation. Okay, this is for the tea. So have you find some of the other different package for the tea?
Other kind of packaged tea.
Yeah. Other kind of the package for the tea. What's this? This is I think this is the beverage is like the coffee.
Coffee milk.
It's a coffee milk. Tea and coffee is always a big beverage, right? Okay, so now we found the coffee. Let me try to show some the more coffee, the different coffee. Okay, everybody will be found in my hand. Here is one of the Lipton. It's Lipton. It's Lipton. It's Lipton tea. Lipton tea, right? Lipton is for the milk tea. This is the difference with this, different this, and different this. This inside with some of the tea, with some of the milk, right? So we will find it's the number one and also the back sealing with the sealing, right? Okay, this one for the milk tea or for the coffee, they are most of the similar. Here is for the coffee, here is for the tea. Yes, try to show them.
It's like a Lipton milk tea powder. It's also a drink, but the customer must make something like granule, not granule, just powder. You can also make some shaking part to mix this powder into the packing. It's like a Lipton milk tea. It's also a drink. This is a cappuccino. It's also like we often use in daily life, like coffee. It just you can wake up in the morning and chill at night, relax after work, enjoy the day. You can use this.
The Lipton tea and some of the coffee is the same the package, right?
Yes.
Okay, so once we talked for the coffee, here is another the package for the four side. This is for instant coffee. Yes, for this four side, the different with different this one. Yeah, this is we call it the back sealing. This one we call it for the four side sealing, right? Okay, try to show you.
In this package, we can see it has a four sealing package. In our eyes, we can see it has more small and but real beautiful. It has a black package. You can also print like this, print some produce time and experience time on it. Four-side sealings. Here it has a cutting line. You can put some coffee powder on it. We can also make some by ourselves, like making some coffee beans.
Okay, thank you. This is a four-sided T, four-sided, right? So do you know except this four side for the coffee, have you find any others for the coffee package? Yes. What's this? How many the side things?
It's on the picture it shows it's coffee creamer.
Creamer. Cream, right?
It usually used in our daily life, like we drink some coffee, we can put this on it.
So this is the three side or back ceiling
It's
or four side ceiling.
three-side
Three-sided ceiling. Okay, this is the three-sided ceiling. Compared with the four-sided ceiling, they have some difference, right? So you maybe some of the friend will ask, is a three-sided ceiling machine cheaper or four-sided ceiling cheaper?
Three-sided cheap.
Why? They need the more extra parts, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. The India friend sent the message to us. Today we are showing for some different package. Okay, this is for the coffee. So now for the coffee, you have found for the three different types of coffee, right? Coffee package, right? For the coffee powder. Okay, so have you find some hotel is now is most popular for the drip coffee? Drip coffee? Drip coffee. Yeah, drip coffee.
Yes.
Do you know? Do you take some of the coffee? You take some of the drip coffee? The drip coffee. Have you take some of the drip coffee? It's very simple and very easy. Yeah. This drip coffee is the new type, the different than the coffee. Yeah. You just use to turn around. You just try to put the cup. Yes. Hand to the cup and use the water to wash them. They will be easy to come out the coffee. And this one, the drip coffee, Robert, do you know the outside is also have some of the package. Yes, let me try to see you. This is a package by our machine, and outside you will find this is a big package here.
You can see it. You can see it's Italian brand drip coffee. It's maybe it's a newest package in our daily life. It make it let us have more choice to drink coffee. Drip coffee. We usually use the coffee powder or something. It has three sides. Yes.
Yes, outside is a three-side, right? Three-side seating, and inside is a drip coffee, right? Okay, this is what we call the coffee. Okay, coffee package, coffee tea, the package. And the robot, do you know? Once we take some of the coffee, once for example, the black coffee, it's really the original one, sorry, but I cannot tell that. I'm always will try to mix some of the sugar or milk, some of the cream, right? So you find some of the small type of cream or sugar package like this?
This is sugar package.
Yeah, sugar and some of the vitamin and some of the special type one.
Customer, you can see this smaller package. It's usually used on coffee creamer or coffee milk. You can also use it in some liquid or
Sugar is always solid.
sugar.
Sugar.
Solid sugar also used. When we go to Starbucks or anything else, we usually can see this type of packaged sugar. If you want to have a good coffee, you usually use it.
Okay, thank you, the robot. Yes. Now we're talking about the package for the tea and for the coffee. All right. Okay. Now we will try to show you regarding the coffee bean because many the friends, for example, if you're from the place for produce the coffee, which country is famous for produce the coffee?
Coffee.
Yeah, coffee produce the way.
China is also famous for his Vienna coffee.
I didn't talk the China. I talked the word.
Brazil.
Brazil. Yes, Brazil is the biggest country for produce the coffee, right? Yeah, and also
Also like USA.
USA. Are you sure?
They like coffee maybe.
I talked the produce the coffee.
Produce. Sorry, I don't know.
You do know? Oh, really? Colombia, do you know?
Colombia.
Venezuela, right? And Morocco.
Oh.
Yeah, so many Ethiopia, right? So many the countries they produce the coffee. So for this trust that once you try to take some the original coffee, that is enough, the fresh and enjoy, right? So in the market, we always have some of the buyer for the packaging the coffee beans. So Robert, do you like to show it? Do you like to check? They have the different. They have some the much different. Yeah, you possibly show some of the buyer which kind of different between the two packages.
You can see these two kind of different. It's have a different, it has different words, and even they have the same thin words. They have two thin words, but in this white package, it has the cutting line. You can see it more easily.
They have a big difference. You first see they belongs the back city or side city.
It's two side thing.
Two side city. Three side or back city. It belongs to back city, right?
Back city.
Okay, back city. So except the back city, do you find that they have a big difference? You will find that the another is not in the middle city, right? It's not in the middle city. There is beside. So and you can use your hand to touch. They have a big difference.
The material of these two packages is also different.
Have you find you use your hand to touch? They have some difference.
I think they are different.
Which kind of difference? Possible to share with me?
It's more smooth.
More smooth?
Yeah, it's more.
This is for the package. Yeah, you will use your hand to touch. You will find that one inside have some of the air, right? Yeah, another one is no air, right? Which one is no air? Yes, so this is a two kind of the package for the coffee beans, right? One should be add some of the air for keep the fresh, and the second one they will try to remove some of the air for keep the fresh. So for the second of the package, have you find some of the wall? Have you find some of the wall in this package? Another one, yeah, you touch.
Find some. I find.
Yeah, you're right. Yes, you're right. This is for to remove some of the air from the inside. You know? Okay, try to show some of the customers.
Customer, you can see this package. Find more holes to make the air inside to out the package. It maybe makes the coffee beans more fresh. In our side, we can obviously see this picture more good.
Yes, one will be the common, will add some air for keep it fresh, right? And second one, they will use to make the air to out by the wall. So this is the difference. Okay, thank you, Robert. They are showing different package for the tea, for the coffee bean. Right? They have the 3-side, back side, or 4-side filling, or some the special the package way, right? Special package way, and some the mirror type the package, right? Okay, thank you. And now we want to try to show you some the special the package. Okay, for example, here is for the snack. I think now we will try to show some of the different material, okay? Robert, have you find, welcome my friend in our live stream. Welcome to follow me. Yes, follow Belina. Get the first gift from me. We're in here. Get the first gift from me and send a message to me. Send the message to me. We will give you a second surprise. Yeah, the surprise is inside iPhone or Apple Watch. Yes, send a message to us. Send a message to us. Of course, if you like us, welcome, give us more likes. Give us more likes. Thank you. Okay, Robert, are you okay? Okay. So now, have you find how many different production material in our site?
Different, maybe.
You can count. Don't talk the maybe.
Oh.
You can count. Three. Chewing.
Paper packaging, plastic packaging. This is aluminum package.
Aluminium.
Aluminum paper. Aluminum
Hey,
paper.
what's the problem? I cannot take something. Material. Yeah. Okay, you show me the first one. Welcome my fun coming. Hey, you see my fun is coming. I'm so happy. Yes. Hello, my friend. Appreciate coming to my live stream. Thank you too much. Okay, show the material.
This is the plastic.
This is for the plastic material, right? Okay, so this is a plastic material. The plastic we think means maybe there is a nylon type, right? Maybe they are company because the plastic, right? Okay, this is the first one. And second one?
The second one is paper packing.
Okay, so once we doing some of the packages, they are more friendly, they prefer more the degradable type, environmental type, right? They will choose the paper type. For example, we just showing for the tea, the filter, they always use the filter paper. Right. So for the paper, and before we talk, the paper, the material is the biggest percent in the market. I'm right. That is around 30%. 30%. Okay. This is the second one for the paper type, and third one.
This package aluminum material.
Yes, this is for the aluminum type. Yeah. For example, you told me you like some of the chips, right? So you know the chips there. I'm very enjoy the feeling once I take some of the chips. They have some of the white gapan, right? So I like it. So do you know how to keep this original voice? Yeah, the first one should be ensure this material anti-sun, anti-weight, anti-humidity. The first one. And second one, your inside should be have some of the air to protect these chips, not mix with some of the weight. Okay, so the aluminum, the material, the metal type of the material is more and more popular, but they're used for some higher quality or the higher price package. For example, maybe you will use the pure aluminum for some of the medicine.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
Most of the medicine is packaged by the aluminum because they are expensive. Because they are anti the water, anti some sun, right? And also, have you find some of the aluminum can use a different color?
Yes, we can use different color on aluminum.
So you can possible to guess how many different color for the aluminum they can use it.
how many colors
How many different color for the aluminum they can use it?
you can use 7 colors.
7 color. Which kind of? How about the 7 color? Can shoot
So rainbow.
rainbow?
Rainbow color.
Huh?
Rainbow has 7 colors.
Rainbow has 7 colors. Yeah, you can teach me. I don't know. How about the rainbow color?
Red, orange.
Red or orange?
Red, orange.
Orange,
Yellow,
yellow,
green.
green,
Blue,
How many
blue,
colors?
blue,
blue.
blue,
Yeah,
purple.
purple. The 7?
The 7 is like blue and purple.
Oh, I tell you, there's another special one you didn't mention. You can see. How about this one?
It's I know it's called yin-yang view.
Yeah, one side has some of the color, another side is transparent color, right? So this is special. And then, do you find this is which kind of the package? This is which kind of the material goods inside?
It's a third kind of.
This is a harbor. This is a harbor. Yeah, this is a harbor. It's also for the medicine.
Right.
Yes. And you guess which kind of this material?
It's also like the chip. Aluminum.
Aluminium. You're right. So clever. This is for the aluminium the package. Okay, thank you. So have you find which kind of this material? Nylon.
Yeah.
No, not 100 nylon. This is called the recycled type. 100% recycled type the material, PPA. PPA. What's the means? Just like this one. You know, this is for the what kind of the material? This package?
Plastic.
Pure.
Plastic. It's a plastic.
Okay. This we use this type of the fiber. This fiber, you know, it is a 100% recycled one. 100% recycled means once this material they're underground 3 months or 6 months, they will disappoint automatically. So this we call the degradable type of material. Okay. Here is a PA, degradable type. Okay, except this the material we can do some the custom the package to you. The other package in China, we think we can do the all for you. So maybe China is the biggest the package country, the package way, right? So here is for the capsule. Everybody every day maybe you will take some the capsule coffee, right? So once you have the idea for expanding your business for the capsule, and the last time we meet one of the Italian friends, yes, and we know the capsule coffee is always most popular in the world. So yes, in the Europe, they most always use the capsule coffee, right? So if you have the idea for expanding your business for the capsule, welcome to contact with us. Yes, and also this for the hello. Robert, do you know what's this? Juice? Yeah, this is also for the tea, for the milk tea. So you know the regular this type of package, this type, for example, this is for some of the coffee or for some of the milk tea. They need to put them into the cup, right? Into the cup. But this one, you no need to use the cup. You directly put some of the water inside and shake them, they will be okay. So this is the new type, a very simple one in China. And then maybe you have the more different design, you will more the different design. Yes, more different design. Maybe this one is for the red, for the big red poached milk tea style. And this one is for the another style. Yes. Okay, thank you to everybody, the friends. Today we spent 2 hours time to introduce the package the trade, and we introduce regarding the food package is the necessary the package, necessary the business, necessary the chance in 2023. If you hope to be the winner, if you hope to expand your pocket, yes, choose the food packaging is the necessary the chance for you. At the same time, we introduced some of the snack package. We introduced some of the tea package. We introduced some of the coffee package for you. Yes, we also introduced some of the different material. Right. Of course, our factory founded in 1952. So our factory is always verified by ISO 9001 and SGS verified, CE certificate verified. So welcome to every friend. Welcome to send a message to us. Where is our bag? Yes. So welcome to all friends to send a message to us, communicate with us. Yeah, communicate with us. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, Robert, thank you for accompanying with me for the live stream. And now next, I will accompany with John doing the live stream. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, John. Are you here? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Welcome. Let me try to introduce and the first two experience for the live stream. Okay. Okay, you come here. Hello, welcome, my friend from the US. Hey, John. Yes, let me say hello to my US friend. Yeah, and you can see.
Hello.
Yeah. You can see there's a camera. Yes. Once you saw the camera, that is say hello to my US friend. Yeah.
Hello, US friend.
Yeah. His name is GMJ. How to spell his name?
J-Y.
GML. JMJ. How to call his name? Jemo. Correct. Or anyway, you say hello to him because now in US it's midnight, right?
Yes.
It's midnight. Okay, you can say hello to him.
Hello, Jim.
Nothing else? Okay. Hello, Jim. I know you come to me because the sun is always for the day, right? Now we are in the daytime, and the moon is always for the night. So Jim now is in the night, right?
Yes.
So Belinda and John, we stay in here, maybe just waiting for him, right?
Yes.
so Jen, appreciate to come to our live stream because you're coming, we are making more the confidence, right?
Yes.
So we trust today we will bring more lucky to everybody.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So today, Jen, how about the topic we are seeing for the packaging machine?
Yes.
Right. So do you have idea once you're in the COVID time? Yes. Once you're in the COVID time, so which kind of the job you're doing at home? Yeah, in the COVID time, the China serious, I think is the most serious in the world. Right?
Yes.
Serious. So my deep feeling is it's so boring. Do you feel the boring?
Yes.
So, except the boring, I think it's every year have the 2 months or 3 months we cannot out the house.
Yes.
So once you stay at home, what's the job you will do? For sleep?
Watch movie.
Watch the movie, right?
Yes.
So during you watch the movie, do you want to take some snack?
Yes.
Right. So which kind of snack you always take?
Coffee.
Coffee. How about others?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay. Any others? So you told me you always try to take some of the coffee, right? So in the market, we have some for example, in the market we have some more different than the coffee, right?
Yes.
They have some the coffee powder.
Yeah.
They have some the coffee milk tea.
Yeah.
And also have some of the original coffee bean.
Yes.
Yes, you can do it by your coffee machine.
Yes.
Right. So at your home and also some of the drip coffee.
Oh, yeah.
This is a different type of package for the coffee.
Yes.
Yes. So once you take some of the coffee, which one you prefer? Which one you're interested?
This one.
This one? This one. Okay. So welcome the CN friend. The first letter is F, last letter is E. So how to say hello to him? You guess. He, which city from him? Which city for him? Which city come from? You get China? China is so big. Maybe from south, maybe from north, or maybe this guy beside me, beside the room. Yeah, you guess. Welcome the DE friend, Cookie. Hey, Joy, do you know the Cookie, the DE is from which country? The DE. Cookie Azalenko. Cookie Azalenko. It's difficult for me. Okay, let's try to ask this guy to talk with us. Okay. Hello, DZ friend, Cookie. Yes. Hello, Cookie. Yes. Welcome you come to our live stream. Your coming make us more confidence. Your coming bring more luck to us. So welcome to follow us. Follow us. Get the first gift from Belinda. Okay. Cookie Azalenko. Yes. Follow us and get the coupon. And also, my friend Cookie, I hope to communicate with you. Which country are you from? Yes, but I cannot talk with you. You possible to send a message to me first? Yes. Once you send a message to me, you will get the special gift from my college John. Yes. Do you hope to bring something lucky to them?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so great. Hello, Cookie, you bring the lucky to us. Of course, we will give you the feedback for us, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We're talking about the coffee because John likes the coffee. Now, let me try to show you regarding some of the coffee the package. Hello, John. Do you think about this package and this package? There's a difference.
Yes.
Right? It's a difference. Okay. And also this is also the difference.
Yes.
Right. So have you find some difference for the three type of package?
This one is the longest.
This one is a longer one, right?
Yeah.
This one is a longer one. This material is a paper or plastic. You
Yeah.
can feel?
Yeah.
Yeah. You give me some suggestion. This one is paper or plastic? Not plastic. Not paper.
Yeah.
Not paper. Okay. This one is longer one. It's a regular one.
Yeah.
The most of the milk tea package they're like this, right?
Yeah.
They're like this. So and compare this one. Which kind of the difference? Yeah. Compare this one, John. Could you find some of the difference? This is longer, but this one
More big.
more bigger, right?
Yeah.
So if you talk for the ceiling, you can check. This ceiling is from the back or from the side.
Side.
From the
Or back.
from the back. And this one, ceiling
One side.
from side. How many side ceiling?
Four.
4 side ceiling. Okay, possible try to show the camera to my friend the difference, okay?
This one have 4.
You can back with the camera, yes, can see. Okay, perfect, nice. Do like this. Okay.
This one is a long.
No, it's fine. More when you go on. You talk something, yeah. For example, this is one of the back ceiling, the
This
package.
is the back ceiling. This is the 4 ceiling.
Okay, now my colleague John showed you the 2 different ceiling. Yes, let me try to show how to show them. Okay, so everybody follow me. You will find everybody to follow me. You will find here one of the. There looks the length is similar, right? This length is similar like this length,
Yes.
but their width is different.
Different.
Right, difference. This one is always we call the back ceiling because from this side you never find some the ceiling mark, right? They're sitting in the middle, in the back ceiling. We also call the middle ceiling. Yeah. Do you agree? If you agree with me, welcome send a message to me. And this one, you will find this is ceiling from the back ceiling, from the 4 side ceiling, right?
Yes.
4 side ceiling, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. But John, for example, same this package. One is the back ceiling, second one is 4 side ceiling.
Yeah.
Which one will be big capacity?
This one.
No, this one. because this one will be sealing from the four side.
Four side.
So they should be leave some space.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but this one, because they are only sealing from
Back.
this ceiling and here and the back.
Yeah.
So they no need to leave some more space.
Yeah.
So the same size package, four side sealing, the capacity will less than the back sealing or three side sealing. Okay, and do you find there's some special? There here have some the easy the tear tip.
Yes,
They're easy to sleep, right?
Yes.
Easy to sleep.
Easier to
Sleep. So all of the package you will find for the coffee, they have some the tear.
Yeah.
They have the tear, right? Okay, I've also find one of the smaller the package. Could you take it? Take it. That's the smaller one. Yeah, that's one. Yeah. Have you find this is also for the package?
Yes.
Yes. You will find this one, their difference, right?
Yes, it's small.
Which kind of the difference? Except the smaller. Except the smaller, anything others difference? This is a back ceiling. This is a four side ceiling, right? And this one?
Three.
You're right. It's so clearer. Yes, this is three sided ceiling. Yeah. One side. They also have the tear, right?
Yes.
They have the tear. Okay, perfect. That's fine. This is three sided, three type of package. Okay, John. Yes, you talked for the coffee. Have you? Do you like some this drip, not tea, coffee? This
Coffee.
is called a drip coffee. Yeah.
Drink coffee.
Yeah. Do you know how to use it? The drip coffee.
Yeah, I drink coffee.
You don't know, right? You don't know. Okay, this is just with drip coffee. We also call the hunger coffee. You know, the hunger coffee. That means, well, for example, this one will just try to handle this cup like this. Handle this cup.
Yeah.
Oh, I will shoot the customer. Yeah, just like this. Handle this on the cup and use some like this.
Yeah.
And use some of the water to wash them.
Yeah.
And the nice delicious coffee will be out.
Yeah.
This very special suitable for some of the travel, you know. Once you travel every day, take one coffee, finish it, throw away. This is a rubbish, throw away. That will be more easy and simple, right?
Yeah.
But this one is inside the package. They have some outside the package. You know, inside is a drip coffee. You know, drip coffee.
Drink coffee.
Yeah, drip coffee. This is the inside.
Inside.
And outside is a three-sided
Three
sealing.
side.
Yeah, three-sided sealing. Okay, this is we talked to the packager. And now we talked for the packager. Have you found some of the other package for the coffee? Three side, four side,
Three side.
drip coffee. Nothing else, right?
Yeah.
Nothing else. Okay. Now, you know, somebody like to take some of the coffee powder, right? Somebody like take some of the capsule coffee. You know, use some of the capsule machine, express the machine, by the capsule coffee. Means inside is also the original coffee powder.
Yeah.
Just like this one. This one will use the coffee powder in here, right?
Yeah.
Once we finish, we'll throw away. And this one, they have one of the machinery, express the machine, put this capsule coffee inside, and they automatically to remove out the coffee powder, to mix them the water, and the coffee will out. And I don't like it because that is not original. The delicious is not so much, not so good. I always like this one. Okay, except this one. And also, John, do you know which country will be more popular for produce the coffee bean? Which country produce the coffee beans? Famous country.
Morocco.
Morocco? Yes, you are correct. The Morocco coffee and the tea is also famous, the black tea. Yeah, black tea. And before you know, one of my friends, they produce some black tea. They show me they have the big farmer. In the big farmer, they have some more the tea. Yes, more the tea. Okay, except the Morocco coffee, Morocco tea, and any other countries in your mind? The biggest the country for produce the coffee in which country? The biggest the agriculture country in which country? I give you the question. Yes. Let me check. You can answer or not. Brazil. Have you heard it? No, Brazil. Okay, you can go to the check. That Brazil is the biggest the country for produce the coffee bean. Yeah, of course, have the Brazil also have the other country in South America, right?
Yeah.
South America, like the Venezuela,
Yes.
like Venezuela. Oh, Venezuela, they have another famous girl. Do you know which one? The beauty miss. The beauty miss. Okay, Venezuela, Colombia, right?
Yeah,
It's
Colombia.
always to produce some the cocoa bean and also some the coconut powder, cocoa powder.
Yeah.
Cocoa powder is also famous. So we talked for the cocoa. We talked some the coffee bean means maybe somebody want to package some of the coffee bean, right?
Yeah.
So in here in my table we have the two type of package. Could you try to check and find which kind of the difference? You can use your hand to touch and feel. Yes. Oh, welcome the Korea friend Lin. Hello, Korea friend. Yes, welcome to my live stream. Yes. Welcome to my live stream. Once you like banana, welcome to follow me. Get the gift from the banana. Yes. Okay. The link. Once you're like the banana and the Joe, welcome to send the message to us. If you like me, give me more than likes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. You can use your hand to try and to feel which kind of different for the two different packages for the coffee bean.
This one have two sides.
Two sides. You didn't find this side for silly.
Oh, so this side.
They're silly in another way.
Yes. Three sides.
Yeah, it is the three side. Any errors? Yeah, you can use your hand to check.
This one is larger.
This one is
It's bigger.
it's bigger. Okay, you will see. Here is for the 100 gram. This one, how about this one?
This one.
So this capacity is the same, right?
Yes.
So once you use your hand to touch, yeah, anything else different. You use this hand. You will find the inside is no air, right?
Yes.
But this inside has some air.
Yeah.
So this is a two different package.
Yeah.
Yes. Why? You use your smile to take some air, have
Yes,
some
yes,
smells, right?
yes.
So you will find inside with something to out from this wall.
Yes.
Yeah. So why? Because some of the bean put it in the box a long time, they will create some special smell.
Yes.
They should be outside, or they will be damaged. And this one, you will find that they have a difference, right?
Yes.
This is their inside should be add some air.
Yeah.
So why you want to add some air? Then also for the keep the fresh of the bean, coffee bean. So our friend, although here is two different the package for the coffee bean, but their package there's a difference, right?
Yes.
One is should be add some air for keep it fresh. Second, this one is for make the air the outside,
Yeah.
right? So which one you use will come send a message to us.
This one.
This one, yeah, this one, yeah. This one package will be more expensive
Yeah.
because they should fix one the warm in there inside, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is from the Italy. This is from which country? This is a word that is difficult to spell. Colombia, you see?
Colombia.
Colombia. Oh, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Okay.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka is also produce the coffee, right?
Yes.
Italy also the coffee. Okay. Okay. This we call the coffee bean package, right?
Yeah.
So John, you don't like the tea?
Yes, I like it.
You like the tea?
Yeah, I like
Which kind of tea you like?
black tea.
Like black tea. Black tea?
Yes.
Have you find some of the black tea that with the more different package? You know which country with more the black tea?
India.
India. Great. Except the India. Sri Lanka.
Sri.
Yeah, Sri Lanka black tea. No. So once you go to the India, you will enjoy their specialty. You know the famous brand, the tea name? Asama, right? Asama
Yes.
milk tea is very famous, right? That is really never use them. And do you know how to make the Asama milk tea? Have you find some of the tea, the process from some of the India, the cinema?
No.
Not pay attention,
No.
right?
Yeah.
Didn't pay attention. Okay. The first they will use some of this tea. Use this tea to dip into the water.
Yes.
Once the tea outside, and then they will add some of the milk, add some of the sugar. I'm right, the friend in my living stream, yes. Okay, thank you, my Turkey friend Ama Aslamari. Yes, thank you. Yeah. So the Asama milk tea is famous.
Yes.
Okay. So now let me try to talk about the tea, the packaging. Okay. Okay. So you will find this kind of the package use which kind of the material. Okay. The first we will find this package has some of the three parts
Yes.
material. The first one is a tag.
Yes. Time.
This one is wire.
Yes.
This one is for the tea bag.
Yeah.
So this one is for the paper, right?
Yes.
And this one is for which kind of the material, I guess? Once the correct, today I will give you one leg. A chicken leg, okay? For the dinner. You can use your feel, use your hand to touch it. Which kind of the material?
For paper.
It's really the paper.
Paper.
It's a paper, yes. But this paper is not the regular one.
Yes.
This is what we call the filter paper.
Filter.
Yeah, this is for the filter paper. Means once you use into the water, they can make the tea come out.
Yes.
So this is what we call the filter paper.
Yeah.
Filter paper.
Yeah.
I have filter paper. Okay, so do you find which kind of this package? Have you saw this package?
Yes.
Yes, especially for the lady, yes, the flower tea,
Yeah.
they have the more. But also you will find the different hotel with the more. So you will find what's this called? Very simple, called the tower package, right?
Yes.
So compare with the two different package, which kind of the difference you will find? You can try to use your hand to tap. Yes, which kind of the difference in your hand you will find?
This one more soft.
Soft because materials, right?
Yes.
So except this one, for example, once the two different package together into the water, yes, which one you think in the same time will be more delicious?
This one.
Why? Why? So MA friend, Abada Lazy, here have the two different tea package, two package. This is A, this is B. So which one will be delicious once together go to the water? John?
Maybe this one.
Why? You give me the reason. Yeah. You give me the reason?
Water can be easy to.
Water can be easy to what? To filter this one.
Yes.
Because you can see the inside, right?
Yes.
Okay, this cannot easy to find, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. It's a very good answer. And also you will find how many the face must touch the water. How many face to touch the water? Once they enter into the water, into the bottle. Two-faced, right?
Yes.
But how much this one? How about this one?
4.
4. So two-faced and the four-faced, which one will be more delicious?
This one.
This one, right?
Yes.
So you know the reason why this one will be more popular, right?
Yes.
Yes, and also you will find that this one is more beautiful.
Yes.
If from the beauty or nice, this one will be more. I like it. It's so cute.
Yes.
It's so cute, right? Although this one has something, but I still like this one.
Yes.
But maybe some of the boss don't like this one. Why? Somebody like this one. Somebody don't like this one. Because this is the material more expensive,
Yes.
right? So do you know this is which kind of the material? You know, now in the world, always popular for the recycle one, environmental type one, right?
Yes.
Environmental type one. So this one paper, of course, is environmental one. So how about this one? You guess? This one possible to disappoint once underground several months or 8 months. They are easy or not easy?
Not too easy.
Why you think it is easy? You think that is paper? This is not paper. You think this is plastic. The plastic is now is forbidden because it is not easy to degradable.
Yes.
Not easy to disappoint after underground the 8 months, right?
Yes.
So let me tell you the secret, okay? This material is 100% by corn.
Corn.
Yeah, by corn or by the potato. Corn, what's the mean for the coin? Have you taken some of the coin at all? The coin, the yellow one, or the white one, or the purple one, is a longer one. The coin, you check?
Yes.
Okay, so have you think about this secret, right? It's crazy, right?
Yes.
Once this one by the coin, they were easy to degradable.
Yeah.
Right. So we call this material is PPA, you know. So they looks like the fabric,
Yes.
but it's exactly they are not the fabric. It is one of the agriculture material. So this agriculture material, they are easy to melt or easy to disappoint once underground several months. It's so strange, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's so strange. Okay, thank you. We talked regarding the tea, right? We talked for the tea. Okay, we talked to the tea. So except the tea, and also we also have found some of the paper packaging for some of the tea like this.
Yes.
So now we introduced some of the coffee and some of the tea package, right?
Yes.
So have you find? Do you have some of the others interesting regarding some of the package? Now I think today is so hot.
Yes.
So do you think in the summer which kind of the goods you want to take? Ice cream do you like? Or you want to take some of the ice cream?
Yes.
Ice cream or ice cream do you like?
Yes.
Which one will be more? Ice cream more or ice cream more?
That's one.
Ice cream more. Why? Because it's so cool.
Yes.
Okay, so have you find, do you know our machinery possible do some of the ice cream?
Yes.
Yeah? Yes. Let me show you. Where is the package? I just saw this one. Yeah. Can find? Looks liquid.
Yes.
But once you put it in the refrigerator, they will become the ice pump.
Yes.
Yeah. So this ice pump and compare with this type, this one have some of the difference. Have you find some difference? Which kind of difference you will find?
I can see it.
You can see.
I can see. This one have three.
This is also the middle ceiling, right?
Yes.
Or we call it the back ceiling.
Yes.
Same this one, right? Same
Yes.
this one, right? And also you will find there also the longer
Yes.
one. But you will find that there's the head is a difference. One is the saw blade type.
Yes.
This one is round.
Wrong.
It's round, right? So now You will also find here you will find this is a tear like this, but this one you will find the tear is different, right?
Yes.
They're different. They're different. So although this looks the same, but the machine is different.
Yes.
That is why every day, every time, I hope that everybody to show us a different package. Okay, John, do you want to help me to show in the camera the difference between them?
This one is wrong.
It's okay. It's okay. Now you can show.
They all have 3 sides.
You can introduce the more I talked with you.
And this one is wrong.
You can talk more. Yes. For example, although these two packages they have the same longer,
Yes, they have same longer.
and also you will find their sealing way is the same,
Yes.
but they have some little difference.
They have little difference. This one is wrong, and this one is
The difference is for what?
this one is wrong.
It's round, right?
Yes.
We call the corner is round.
The color is wrong.
Okay, so everybody friend you will find. So if you have the special design for the package, and welcome to send the message to us and show us. Okay, welcome the ES friend. Contact us, get the free sample. Yeah, you hope get the free sample, right? So if you have some of the sample, you can show us. Yeah. Gonzalez. Yes. Okay. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. This is for the liquid. Hello, John. Do you like take some of the honey?
Yes.
Yes. You know, in the market, the honey with a different package. Once you visit some of the supermarket, which kind of the package you always find in supermarket? The frame, the honey.
Yeah.
You didn't pay attention? Now most of the honey is fitting on the bottle, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but now in the market, they hope to more convenience for the user, So they are packaged by some of the plastic bag. You can find it here. You have the 2 types of package for the honey. Is right?
Yes.
There is also the big one. Where is the big one for the honey? Okay, this one. Okay. Here you will find 3 types is also for the honey. You know, this is a different package for the bean spoon.
Yeah.
They are putting the bean, putting in the spoon. The spoon is sealing. Okay. And this one. Compare this one looks similar, right?
Yes.
The back sealing, right? Just the one smaller, one big one.
Yes.
Okay. And this one you will find the difference. Which difference? You check it. You check it. Welcome the PH friend. Yes, Lagasa. Welcome the ES friend. Yeah.
It has 4 sides.
4 side. Okay. Anything others?
It has too easy.
Too easy to sleep.
Yes.
Because they have some of the tear.
Yes.
Okay.
It has some LED.
Huh?
Some LED.
Some
Air.
air. Some air. Okay. You will find if you see like this, it looks like one of the small bottle.
Okay.
Right? This is small border, and also here is a tear, right?
Yes.
So this is use some special mold to sealing.
Yeah.
Don't like this one. This one just directly cut.
Yeah.
Because there's no others. And this one have some the corner, right?
Yeah.
This is for the cut. They use the turn around the cut to cut it, so they have the corner. But for the sealing, similar like this one is like this one, like this. This one is like this.
Yes.
It's a difference, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
possible to show our friends, yes, the difference.
This one is special.
You can explain more.
And this have a 4-size clip.
Yes, you can try to explain to them which kind of a difference.
This one have special one.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, John, to showing this one to us. Okay, John, thank you. Now we talked regarding the tea, coffee package, and some things accompany with the tea or the coffee, right?
Yeah.
Like some sugar. Like some sugar you will find this is very small, right? So maybe everybody will ask, how about the 1 kg, 1 grams? Maybe this is 2 grams, 1.5 grams.
Yes.
So 1.5 grams the package we also can do like this. Yes. This is always for some the expensive type of production, like the neutral, like some the vitamin, yeah, vitamin, the neutral with the expensive,
Yes.
yeah, with some the expensive. So for this the package, we always can do that. So compare. Hey, John, can I ask you one question? This one easy for package or this one very easy for
This
the
one.
package? Which one?
This one.
This one. You mean it's more smaller, more simple to
No,
operate the machine?
no. This one.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah, more bigger the machinery, easy to package. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, because they have the precision.
Yes.
The precision will easy to control, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So now we are showing for the different kind of the package for the all friend. Welcome the all friend to follow us, get the gift from the Belinda. Yes, if you like, welcome the TW, yes, home, yes, home. Yeah, from the TW is means from Taiwan, right?
Yes.
Welcome the Taiwan friend come to our live stream. Yes, welcome, follow us, get the coupon, and welcome you send a message to us, get the gift. Hello, John, you still didn't send some gift to the friends, right?
Yes.
So any friend in our live stream, we hope send you the gift to you. Okay, and John, we talked that in the coffee time, you prefer take some the coffee.
Yeah.
You prefer take some the tea. Okay, so except the coffee and the tea, which kind of a snack you always take? This one.
Yes.
The peanuts, right?
Yes.
The peanuts. Okay, let me try to show some of the French. How about some of the different package for some of the snack? Okay. Okay, this one and this one, right? This
Yes.
is the seed. This is seed. I don't know which kind of seed. Well, seed. I don't know how to explain. So you know that this is two kind of the seed. What's the difference? You see? Or which kind of seed that you will find from there? From the material you will find they have the big difference, right?
Yes.
So this one is by plastic.
Plastic.
This one is by
Paper.
paper. So for you choose for this one or choose for this one more.
This one.
Why? Maybe I think which one will be more better. I will choose which one.
This one.
Why? This is the famous brown.
Yeah.
This is not the famous brand, right?
Yes.
The grade. So for the famous brand, they always think about for the environmental type, right?
Yes.
For example, this is the China, the famous brand for the seed, So they always will think about for the environmental, and for the recycle type, right?
Yeah.
So all the friends, once you try to package some the nut snack, it's better choose some the paper package, right?
Yeah.
Okay, for the snack, for the seed, do you know what this? Yes. So, our friend, if you are in our live stream, welcome to check. What's this? Yeah. What's this? What's this? You're right. You can talk the higher, right? Okay. This is for the plant, the food,
Yeah.
Animal food. So you can guess which kind of the package are there. Suicide or vaccine?
Three side.
Suicide? No, this is for the vaccine. What the means the three side? This is called the three side. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is for the vaccine. The vaccine. Okay. So John, do you like some of the dry fruit? Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We can find here some of the dry fruit. What is the how many seeds? How many sides seeds?
2,
2. We can try 4 and 4. How about this one?
4, 2.
What's the mean 4, 2?
Huh?
4 side seeds.
Yes.
Okay, only one choose. 4 side filling, 3 side filling, back filling. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So let me give you the challenge, okay? Give you some of the challenge how to call. How about this one? How to say this is a package? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you find some? How to call this one? Yes. How to call? Just like this one. How to call this one? This one and this one is the difference of which how to difference. You can say this one and this one, this one can lie on the table, right?
Yes.
But this one should be standard.
Standard.
So we call this a standard package.
Standard.
Standard package and this one, they have the different the package way. This one, they're always to finish the bag first, pre-made the bag,
Yes.
pre-made the bag, and then to fill it and seal it.
Yes.
Okay. So this one is always pre-made the bag, and then to seal it, to seal it, to fill it. And this one is the material is a film, the raw type the film, and then this is for filling, sealing, cutting together once time.
Last time.
Yes. Okay. Welcome the DE friend, Muscle Gassamy. Muscle Gassamy, yes, appreciate to come to my live stream. Because you're coming, we are so happy. Because you're coming, we are more confident. Yeah. Once you're in our live stream, welcome, follow us, get the coupon. Get the coupon first. Yeah, get the coupon first. Yeah. Welcome the Lily Jiang. Oh, so pretty girl, right? Lily
Yes.
Jiang is from China, pretty girl. Yeah. Hi Lily, are you my colleague? Yes. Welcome the DE friend Musha Yang. Hello Musha Yang. Yes, appreciate it. Come here. Welcome. Send a message to us. Once you send the message to us, you will get the big surprise. Yes. From this lucky friend, lucky boy. From the next lucky boy, John. Okay, John, we just showed the different type of the package, right?
Yes.
So I want to show some of the machine that's running. Do you know what's the name for this machine? What's the name for this machine? Yeah, package machine. You're right, package machine. Hey, it have another name called the multifunction package machine. What's the name? The before have the multifunction means it have the more functions for this machine. Oh, although this machine is very small, right?
Yes.
It's very small, yes, but it have the more function. Do you like to share with our friends one by one for the function? Number one. Yeah, number one, the function. For example, this machine have the two parts. Let's together to show you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is the machine. This machine with the more function. For number one, this machine can do the two parts. The first part we can use only for the weighing. For example, you can feed in 5 grams or 10 grams, right? Only weighing, okay? Only weighing. And the second one, if you no need the feed, no need the weighing, you just use for the filling, sealing, and cutting. You can use the second part.
Yes.
Okay. John, follow me. Now follow me. This machine have the two parts. Yes, you can follow me to take the voice higher. With the two parts. The first part is for what? The first part is for what? For weighing.
Okay.
For weighing. For example, 5 grams or 10 grams, okay?
Yes.
For weighing. This is the number one function. And how about the second part for what?
Silent.
For filling,
Filling.
sealing, and cutting. Okay. Okay. The second part is for filling, sealing, and cutting. Okay, this is the number 2. So, do you have any other question? This machine possible use together, right?
Yes.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
Possible to weigh, filling, sealing,
And cut.
cutting. So this is the number 3 function.
Yes.
Number 3 function. Okay, now we talked. Do you have any idea regarding this machinery material? Why their looks is very like the silver, right? Do you know this kind of the material? Do you know which kind of the material you're using this machine? Which kind of the material package for the machine or for the food, right?
Yeah.
So this material we always use the food grade stainless steel.
Yes.
They are easy to clear.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yes.
They are easy to grade. Okay, this is we talk about. How many the numbers? I've got it. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, right? Material, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so have you find some the powder? They are easy to move. They are not easy.
Yeah.
So for the not easy, the mold of the machinery, we have some special design for the shaking. For example, once you find something in the tank, they are not moved, right? You
Yes.
use to some the shaking.
Yes.
Once they are shaky, they are easy to move.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is number 6.
Number 5.
Number 5. Okay, so great. Number 5. Okay, so have you find some the different the package? For example, this one you will find that this package always have some the date.
Yes.
They are showing produce the date.
Yeah.
They're showing the expiring the date.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So this machine have some the function to showing this date printer. Date printer. Okay, this one for the date printer. You can go outside to check. What about the pretty simple for them? Yeah, have you find some the pretty simple for the printed data?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. They have some. You will find they have some. This the strip, right?
Yes.
You will come here. Here you will find. You can use your finger to touch. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll find some of the metal one. This is the metal one that will show you some of the number. They will remove this color to the back surface.
Yes.
Okay. Clear?
Yes.
This is the ink. This is some of the ink.
Ink.
They have some of the metal in here. For example, this is today's main 15, right?
Yes.
The main 15. So once they are running, they will try to print it there on the surface.
Yes.
Okay, this is the function. Number 5, number 6, number 7.
6.
Number 6, okay. So have you find this printer? You will find this printer is really the good location, right?
Yes.
They're just only on the middle.
Yeah.
They're not in the like this, not this.
Yeah.
So you guess which kind of the device they are most important for them. Tell you the secret, the color sealer. This is a color mark. Means once you fix this color location, the others lens fix. They will always in the correct location. Yeah. So the color sense is very simple. You see this one. for the color scissor.
Color scissor.
Yes, for the color scissor. Yes. So once you find in here, once this wall running, they will see this mark.
Yes.
Once they touch this mark, they will move this lens. And next one.
Yes.
Next one, and next one. This is a color sensor. It's clear for you? So this is for the color sensor. This is also our machinery will have.
Yes.
Okay, so number what?
Number 7.
Number 7. Okay, so John, have you find this bag is so long, right?
Yes.
And this bag is so short.
Short.
So do you have any question regarding the length? Is possible to adjust or not? You guess? This is the machine. The length possible to adjust or not? No, yeah, of course can adjust. But before we run the machine by calling the robot, right? By calling the robot. So by calling the robot, they're doing some of the smaller size like this. See?
Yes.
Smaller size, and this is the same one. So this machine, the foundation is the length possible adjustable.
Yes.
The length adjust. Yes, adjust. The maximum is 16 centimeter. Maybe from the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to the 16, the length is possible to adjust. It's very good, right?
Yes.
Maybe you have the more different size the bag, you can change this length, right?
Yes.
So I ask you one question. The width is possible to adjust?
No.
No, you're right. It's so clever. Because this width, they're using some of the shape to fix this width. This shape, just like the mold. This one. This one is a fix. This one is a fix. So one length, one width should be changed one shape.
Yes.
One width should be changed one shape. So should be pay attention. The width you possible to change should be changed the shape.
Yes.
Right? So the length you possible to change the any size.
Yes.
Okay. Another question. So do you think the weight is possible to change? For example, here is 10 grams, and next time maybe you will use 15 grams.
Yes.
Possible to change.
Yes.
Yes, of course,
Yes.
of course, yes, because this one foundation is for the wing, right? So come here, you will see this is the control the panel, the weight, right?
Yes.
The weight, and here is the quantity. Yeah. So weight you can directly to less to reduce the weight. For example, 10 gram, 8 gram, or
Yes.
6 gram, right? And also, of course, you can rise them, right? For
Yes.
to the 15 grams, the 20 grams, right? 15 grams, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And this machine can auto count the numbers you want to fill in.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
This is number one. I forgot.
Number 8.
Number 8. Okay, thank you. You're a good partner, I think. You always can mention him. So, except this one can set the weight, right?
Yes.
Can count the number, and also you will find here have some of the speed for the change. The fast speed, the middle speed, and some of the slow speed for
Yes.
change, right?
Yes.
For example, once you are operating the machine is not in the beginning, maybe not familiar with the machine, you will choose the slow speed,
Slow.
right?
Yes.
And then once you're with experience and more smart for operating the machine, right?
Yes.
Maybe your operate speed will be middle and fast.
Fast.
Yeah, this is very smart design. Yeah, this is on top the special design. Okay, and second for this one, sealing and the cutting. Here I have some another control, right?
Yes.
Do you know, John? Do you know? Here is for the plastic.
Plus.
And you also find some of the paper material, right?
Yes.
And also have some of the aluminum material.
Yes.
So for the sealing temperature, they are always different. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So you guess the paper one will be more higher, or the plastic one more higher, or aluminum one more higher?
Paper.
Paper? Is it really? Is it really? Why? For example, once you do some of the barbecue, you will use some of the aluminum to wrap it,
Yes.
right? Why use the aluminum or don't use the plastic? Because the plastic, they are easy to melt, right?
Yes.
So the plastic will be the temperature will be more less.
Yes.
And then the paper one and the aluminum one will be more higher.
Yes.
Right. So of course, the different produce the factory with the differences in material, you will try to test them.
Yeah.
Okay. This is we talked for the machinery, the foundation. Okay, John. Now I talked this foundation regarding this machine.
Yeah.
So do you possible to repeat it to showing the customer number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4? You can try. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. I will help you.
The first one it have two.
And you can loudly. Yeah.
First one it have two parts. This one can this part.
This is called the multi-function machine, right?
Yes.
So let me try to show you how many the function. The first one, this machine has the 2 parts.
Yes, two
The
parts.
first part for what? The first part is for weighing,
Weighing.
right?
Yes.
Weighing.
Weighing.
Yeah, weighing the weight, right?
Yes.
And the second one is for what?
Filling and cut.
Filling, sealing,
Sealing,
and
and
cut, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is number 2 function.
Yeah.
And how about number 3? Yes. How about number 3?
Cut.
You've got it, no problem. Once you saw something, you can talk something. It's very flexible. Welcome the Bangladeshi friend upload the whole thing. Yeah, anything you saw, you can talk to something.
这样，这个看。
You will find that every package service with some data printer, right?
Yes.
So have you find some data printing unit in our machinery? Which is the data printer unit?
Yeah.
Yes, you can show some customer. Yes. Yes. Also, our machinery is very small. Yeah, we have the data printed unit, right?
Yes.
At the same time, once you try to print some the coloring package, yes, you will use some the color sealer, right?
Yes.
So which kind of the color sealer in this machine?
Black.
Yes, which one? Color sealer. Color sealer for print the mark. Yeah, for the print the mark. Okay, that's a smaller one. Yeah. Okay, smaller one. Thank you. Okay, so for this the machine, I still didn't finish this, Sarah. You talked how many the function? You just talked how many the function. Okay. Okay, 3. And before, how many talked for me?
8.
8. Okay, so how about the another 5? Okay. Now you will find the weight is possible to adjust. The weight.
Yes.
Yes. So how to adjust the weight? How to adjust the weight in this machine is okay? Machine is okay, right?
Yes.
You can adjust the weight. So which part is possible to adjust the weight? The operate the panel. So where is the machinery that operate the panel? Have you find which place to control the weight to count? Great, that's great. So that's the control the panel for how many the function? How many the foundation from this machine?
3.
3. Okay, show us. Number 1.
Number 1
Number 1 to adjust the weight.
yes.
And number 2, this machine is automatically count the quantity for the package or for the filling.
Okay.
Yes. And number 3, you can tell me.
Start and
Oh, loudly.
start and stop.
Start and stop, of course. And also another one. The speed to adjust is also easy, right?
Yes.
How many the speed they're showing?
Plus.
Plus. Okay.
Plus.
How many speed?
3 speed.
3 speed means they're easy to adjust the speed, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Anything others for the foundation?
And plus means and
So, John, try to remove this machine. Check, is easy or not?
it's easy.
You can try to show our friends there. Welcome, my friend. Now, yes, you can try to remove this machine. It's easy.
It's easy.
Okay, so do you know the secret why they're easy? Because they have what? Because they have the wheel, right?
Yes.
Okay, this machine, they have the wheel, so no matter the younger person, no matter the lady, no matter for the child or the younger boy, they are easy to remove this
Yes.
machine. Okay, perfect. Okay, now finally, for this machine, they have one of the special patent from our factory. Do you know? For example, if you are packaged by this transparent color, right?
Yes.
If we want to print some the logo inside, it's possible or not easy, right?
Yes.
It's not easy. Maybe you will print the big quantity. Maybe you will print some the big quantity. But once you use our patent, you will easy to use it. We have one of the print unit can fix on this machine. Do you understand?
Yeah.
We will fix one of the printer on this machine. During the package, this printer will help you print some of the logo directly. Of course, this is only one color. Okay,
Yes.
this is one of our patent. You know, this is our patent. Okay, this is our patent. So, John, you try to explain our patent to the friends. Okay. How about the patent?
We can print a logo on it.
Finished. Okay. Thank you. Show us the patent. And now we will try to introduce our machinery. Okay, John, now you should follow me to introduce our factory, okay? Okay, first, our factory founded in 1952. 1952, yeah, since grandfather. Until that time, our factory focus on the food, beverage packaging machine. Okay, including the pouch type, including some of the bottle type, the full and the beverage, the filling packaging machine. Since that time, our factory always created the technology. For example, our factory verified by ISO 9001, the quality control system. The quality control system. Okay, thank you. The quality control system. You can print another two. Okay, print another two. Thank you. Okay. During that time, our machinery 90% exported to all over the world. How much the percent we exported the machine? The percent? 90%. Okay, 90% exported to the all over the world. During the time, our factory verified by SGS. By SGS, this is our SGS certificate. You can show some of the customer. Welcome to see our SGS, right?
Yes.
And this is a verified factory, BRENU.
Yes.
Okay, you try to show them.
This is SGS.
You're right, perfect. This is the SGS. You use your finger in here, not move, okay? And also, this is the verified the factory, the BRENU.
BRENU.
Yeah, this is the verified factory, the BRENU from the SGS. Okay, thank you, everybody. Thank you. Although our factory exported to all over the world, of course, quality is our most important, right? So during that time, our factory was verified by CE certificate. Here is our CE certificate. Here is a CE certificate. You will find here is the bag making machine and from the BRENU.
Yes.
Okay, try to shoot. You can talk by yourself.
This bag machine and
You nothing to talk. Okay, you can try to find some yourself the word to describe. Okay, thank you, the John. During that time, we always try to export the machinery to all over the world. Yes, and always to upgrade the new technology. Yeah. So, John, do you hope to know which kind of the brand bought our machine?
yes.
Okay. So here is the brand from some of the buyer, some partner buyer. Yes, you will find it. Here is a Michelin restaurant, 1 star.
Yes.
Right? This one is taco. This one is a Comino, who's for the restaurant. This one is for the chocolate brand, right?
Yes.
You know, and this one is natural for the coffee brand, right? For the coffee brand. This is for the good fish oil, right?
Oil.
This one is for the chicken king.
Yes.
Yes, you know, for the food.
Yes.
This one is a sabami. This is also for the sausage. For the sausage. Coca-Cola, you know.
Yes.
Milk is for the milk. This brand is for the milk, right?
Yes.
And this one is for some Italian, right? I don't know. Another. And this, okay, you can try to shoot the friend regarding of the brand. Some famous brand use our machinery. Welcome the friend in our live stream. Yeah. I'm sorry. Once you are interested, welcome to follow us. Get the coupon. Yes. Send the message to us. Send the message to us. I cannot find. Send a message to us, and we will share the lucky to you. Okay, John, yeah, please.
This is Coca-Cola and
To the camera, camera. Okay. Your back cannot see your face. Okay, fine, move. Go on.
this is Coca-Cola and this is milk.
You introduce the brand one by one. I have teach you.
This is Michelin and this is top.
Yeah. More.
看到这件金龙鱼 oil,
金龙鱼 gold oil
gold oil,
and the Nestle
Nestle.
coffee,
Nestle
yeah,
coffee.
yeah, and for the Coca-Cola, do you know?
Yes.
Coca-Cola. So, do you find how many pieces of brown for the food? For the medicine?
4 pieces.
Mm-hmm. How many? How many brown? You can count the number. Count the number. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Yes, you can tell me how many pieces of brown you know from the food or from the medicine.
3.
3. Okay. 3. Really? The chocolate is not food,
Yes.
and the Coca-Cola not food,
Yes.
and the oil is not for food, and the chicken wing is not food.
Yes.
So mussel is for the food, right? Okay. So for our packaging industry, if you want to be the winner, in 2023, yeah.
Yes.
If you want to find the chance to expand your business, to expand your pocket, yeah. So which industry you should choose? You should choose for the food industry. Welcome the SG friend, the Steven, yeah. Thank you to see how the buyer brand in the world, yes, most of it for the famous brand. Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you, John. Okay, John, let me do some of the summary, okay? John, let's try to do some of the summary, okay?
Okay.
So now we talked about which kind of the package. For example, we talked for tea
Tea.
and
Coffee.
right? And once we talk about this package, we found that they have a different type of the package way.
Yes.
For example, 3-side sealing,
Yes.
and back sealing, and also 3-side,
3-side.
back sealing, 4-side, yes, and also, how about this one? Tower type. We also call this one is a standard one, right? Okay. So this we talked the packaging type, right? And also we talked about the material, right?
Yeah.
So which kind of the material you find in this here? The material, plastic, and also paper. Okay, no problem. The paper. And second one, and third one is for what? The third one is for what? The plastic one, paper one. What's this one? Aluminium. Okay, aluminium one, yes. Aluminium one we also call the metal one. Okay, and metal one. So we talk the material, you have the plastic one, you have the paper one, and you have some the metal one, right?
Yes.
So for the packaging, just like this.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So you know our factory is founded in which country? 1952. 1952. Okay.
Yeah.
And also our factory verified which kind of the certificate? ISO 9001, SGS, CE certificate. And if our factory has some the patent, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is our today's live stream. Okay, all friends, thank you too much in our live stream. Company with us. Let us more happy. Let us the more confidence. So appreciate the all friend. Our friend give us the lucky, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we hope the next time we have the more chance to explain to them more. Okay, maybe next time John and Robert will be showing you in the live stream. Okay, you can try your best to do live stream. Okay, so this time our live stream just do like this. Okay, okay, thank you. Let's say bye bye and see you next time. Yeah. And the next the live stream that was in China, the daytime, the 8 a.m. for the ice cream show, ice cream machine show. So thank you for the our friend. Thank you the U.S. friend of Collie Puba. Thank you. Come to my live stream, but we should say bye to you. See you next time. Thank you. If you like me, you are welcome to give me more likes. Yeah. If you like me, you are welcome to give me the more messenger. Okay, waiting for you, US friend are calling the other. Thank you. OK，就这样，把这边收拾一下。
我去把那些给我翻译一下，知道这个很多，但是会用英语说出来。
把这边收拾一下啊。
好，
因为我今天晚上要去西安开中亚会议，因为我被那个人选中了他们的无敌的市场的合作方，中国只有2家，所以我进程比较快。我来拿什么呢？哦，对。今天晚上去西安。我来给你拍照片啊，这个东西真能够宣传的。
是的，好有面子啊，你
是吧？还要做空气面是把珍珠奶茶锅成。
那个七大哥说好像还要把箱子带一带，
箱子是这样，
他不是说喏，那个就是有一个就是跟主播的说，他说有2个锅子，
是2个。
2个锅子，1个箱子。这个嘛，是不是这才？
哦，是，那个是6升的，那个是大，
这是9升，
这是9升还是6升？
写的是9升
，9升是这个。
那把这个也带。那个锅子要不，那个锅子也要是吧？
我带了一个锅，
他说2个锅，
有2个锅，他那个热的帮我装进去。你们在家要练习口语，我发现中国的你的是还是要练口语，是吧？你们俩都要练口语。
其实是
这里面还有东西。
没事，放进去，是人家送的。
看细的。